Me have to breed. Yo, you know what I want to give?
Mm-hmm.
Triplet one time.
This is it, man.
Right.
Alright, so if you use it.
Let me tell you how to take it now.
Me nose and that talk. What kind of scent that? I want smell so. I want smell so. I smell so. I smell so. My girl, really? I really eat na the bush. You a go diddy. You know have no toilet at your yard that low. And your ear and nail long so. What a show. What a show. Me see her on the road looking well stush. Only if he find out say she a do a bush. Lord she my load but it nearly broke me neck. Me say, wait there, why you a do so? She freeze up quick like statue in a show. She say, mind your business, just go on where you a go. But the evidence strong. Me already know, Nino. How I smell so, how I smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush. You a go did it. You know have no toilet like ya that low. And your ear and nail long so. What a show. Every morning she post on the gram. Living my best life, filter and glam. Hiding every flaw, nobody know. But me see the truth, where she not show. Me link her later, me try to be nice. Me say real talk, me nah mock your life. She shame, she hold her head to the ground. The situation rough, me nah joke around. Light bill high, water bill do we. Pressure upon her, nothing she can do. She dress up good for hide the stress. But life beyond that, a real mess. From bush to blessing, things can change. Today you struggle, tomorrow rearrange. No shame in life, but truth must show. Social media now run the real show. I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush. You a go did it. You know have no toilet in your yard that low. And your ear and nail long so.
Love the vibes of the sweet sensimania. Can't do without a spliff in a me mouth corner. Good meditation require indica. Run out of that chicken me the combo that me ball. Love the vibes. Good meditation require indica. Can't do without. This just scissors dull, man. Sure. Meditation require indica. Run out of that, you give me the cambo. That me nah run out of this though.
Jacqueline!
Hey, welcome, Kunzi.
Wagwan. Yes, sir.
Blessings, blessings.
So you turn big herbalist for me overnight. Although from a long time from you're younger, you used to practice, and sell some holy passing. But now you're boss big time, you get global.
Yeah, man, up there big and me smoke.
Yo, all people from foreign call me and ask about you,
With what? I
Then
saw my name gone abroad.
Girl, they want some herb. People sick all over the world right now. A lot of sickness, they have different type of sickness.
That's true.
Me I tell you, because remember say I don't have infection, remember say you have inflammation, you have infection, and then sitting there different type of disease them, You have cancer, you know the big head, you know, the one day. And you have syphilis, herpes, you have all kind of sickness. I know say you are the one for girl, tell you, people want your herb to buy. You need to go up on social media and go promote your thing, girl. When you do business, that's the only way.
And that
the only way your thing go up. You can't have your big thing. What herbalist like this? I make your herb them and you know everything for every sickness and sit down so about big cliff so early in the morning.
Yes, man.
Where
But
they
it's
pan?
the healing of the nation. You know how much things is healed? Every disease you mention, this is the cure for.
Chat about. Me know you know your thing,
Then
Me know you know the work, man.
Man,
Me know
Jackie,
you-
with
Yeah,
every
man.
cure And we are run to chemical for poison the system.
Where do it? Where do it so early?
It's hot, man. It's hot, so we come out and cool off and cool our meds.
Boy, Jacqueline, from me know you ever look healthy.
Yeah, man.
You have to go give me some of them Medina and them Sassy Pearl and them Spirulina they fi drink, you know, cause right now I feel like I want to get pregnant at the age of 45, you know.
So you're not too late for that, my girl. You have to look for grandpicnic now. Why you want to get pregnant at this age for?
I this say this me.
Nah, this
Jacqueline,
you, man.
and me your friend Punsi are this now, what you say?
Me not
at the
this you,
age.
but if you live life, you're right.
Me I live life right now, I'm alive and well.
Actually.
Watch, look for me. Where you feel like,
Look
you
how
know,
you fat around like England pound.
you know feel say, man out there see me where want me.
Course,
I true.
of course.
I just true, me not really want it, but me not tell you no lie, no, Jackie. Me have to put on my glasses to tell you that one, you know. No, say me know somebody where me really like though.
Let me take off for me glasses for here. This your one. Oh,
Watch ya. I tell you in nickname. But me not really know him right name yet. Cause me and him not really have no proper conversation yet. I just high and by and you know.
From you want him. You have to get him, man.
Alright.
Oh.
Me I wonder if you know how you know.
Me don't know you not tell me.
Me not tell you yet, but me I wonder if you know a person.
Hey, any man you want, you have to punsi your name, you know.
Punsi my name.
Hey.
And guess what his name?
Eh.
Daniel in the den. No lion couldn't touch him. Me I tell you God lock them out. No lie.
What? Which Daniel? Cause plenty Daniel in the lane. Which Daniel?
Daniel, he have a nice fair complexion, good, nice, energetic body. I mean, no say, him can angle this, more than angle this, girl. You see them man there? Them educated, them skill and them smart. Yeah, them man they clever, them take care of woman good. They have some real nice man them there. Them the man them like, you know, come in my life. Yeah man, them know how to hold one good conversation. Them have reasoning ability. Them up like that man, and them the kind of decent, good looking man me like where wear them clothes up here so them pants no they down here so. You see? And then you see underpants here so then dress well respectable. Them man they are real man, you know, a gentleman. Me no mean no man where them boy out the road a chat about yo dog. Me no chat to dog. No man, me chat to man and them man they and them run things, you know, when they come on to woman, them know if it take care of the TLC part.
Hey.
Yeah man.
So tell me something, Ponsi. I know the same one from the mountain or the hill.
Then I could have who else may attack?
Oh.
No most that Daniel there.
Oh, saw him.
Jacqueline half him.
Girl.
Nobody else.
You gone high standard.
Oh you mean?
Me love it. Me love it.
True enough.
Me love it, man.
Can't take it low class man them.
No, you're not for lower class, man.
Daniel is first class.
Yes, a definite first class man, you know. And
Second class.
Ordinary man that day, you know.
That you feel know.
Hey, any man, my sister set her eye pan. We have to get. Oh,
Big
so
up
something you
yourself.
come and talk about.
Talk about it man, nobody there, so me no busy with nobody you know right now. And them the man them me want breed for me, not even say pregnant, that too nice. Me have to breed. Yo, you know me want to give triplet one time.
What?
And guess what? Me no want they favor me no cause then them man they have nice color you know man and them up.
man,
Yo,
my
me not
eye
discriminate for me color you know cause me love it.
Man, but-
Beauty. Let me tell you something. No want the whole of them favor him. I want the three of them favor him. Guess what I want? Me no want have them one by one, you know.
No.
I
Oh.
want triplet.
Okay.
Oh.
I saw you do it.
But guess what, girl?
Mhm.
You know, say me have a little complication though.
What kind of?
But me I wonder if you can work on it for me, cause right now, as me tell you before, me can't breathe. I want to get pregnant real early.
You want pregnant?
Him,
girl,
cause me no want no girl take him away
Hey.
before me get him.
No girl can take him away from you, but if that you want,
so,
that
hold
you
on there.
get.
Me ask you a question. You think you can manage to sort out my fallopian tube for me? Cause guess what? I'll tell you a little secret, you know, cause you're my friend for a long time. You know? I know you're not go really grown and tell nobody, you know.
No man.
So you have to keep this confidential.
Yeah, man, that's between you and me and God.
Here, you know. You know, so I got a doctor a couple times, though, about 6 times. Girl, the amount of medication me I take from them time there. If you lose this fallopian tube, yeah, the 2 tube black. And them the doctor they give me prescription every time. And me go fill the medication them. And God Almighty man, you want to tell me say all the money they me spend all no me can't get pregnant. Well, maybe say me not too sorry still no, cause maybe the man when me used to chat to, maybe I know him did fi breed me. A Daniel fi breed me.
Once you grieve me, man. How long you know me? Eh? And you should have come to me, man, instead of go take the poison. And that mess you up too.
I know say you're a real herbalist, but me
Come
know
on.
things you can manage them the kind of job there.
You know how much people me help from all boat, all foreigner flying come and me help them.
I know a couple of them here about you and me then call and you know get in touch with them. And me give them your number.
You know use
But
it.
me no too rate you like that. You know, say you can do them thing different. But sorry about him, man. But he better me tell you the truth. Me are bridging for a long time, you know, sis.
All right, my girl. Me I can help.
Me are bridging for a long time, sister. So, here now. That are the main reason why I did come down here and come check you.
All right. No problem, But here what? The bush them that me need. Because you got to the damn medicine man and got to make the work harder, but me can't manage it. The bush them that me need, me not have them in the yard.
You have to go.
You have to go up on the hills them feet. So you have to give me a few days. Give me about 4 days.
You have to go call it then, are you
Yeah,
call?
man. No.
Call me when you get
say
there.
me change my numbers. Me change my phone and it kind of mess up so the number come out.
All right.
You have my number, not true?
So if you change your number,
I
now.
change my number, me change my phone.
Oh,
And
me
number
think you say you
come out.
change your number now, a mistake you make, man.
Mistake me, I make.
All right,
I
here,
mess up
give
the
me.
meds, so me
All
still
right,
go.
cool. Give me it back. Give me it back.
876 799 5112.
All right. Me go down, me save it, Jacqueline.
And call me so that me know have your number.
Yeah. All right then.
All right. You know what? Here what? You're my sister, So me I go get my machete and go into the hills right now.
How much do you say again?
Listen, me I go right now. So 4 days. Cause by the time them quail and set and me mix it up and here what? Me not charge you nothing, and you forget the youth. You're my sister like that.
All right.
All right, you're
Just
my sister.
take care of yourself and bless up yourself. You're one love every time, man.
You have to get it.
Me I go call you.
3 in 1, man. Me I go set you up. Herb you want, herb I go get. Jam out of order. I come to me, for brew bush for you, for take my man. Hey, me I go deal your business, girl. Hello? But wait. Hello, Dan. Vice Snail. Hey, I that you deal with Daniel? Tree a woman a road, eh? I come to me for breed for you. Hey, I go fix on the business. Breed for my man. Watch this. Cut lights. You know, so me now make this mess up my mates. Me know what to do, About herb, about me, fake hey. Oh, you know exactly how to fix your business.
All right, fine on the no. All right. This one of you. Yes. Ah. We're brutal. Yeah, man. Once I'm at the goat bush, run our belly. Oh, chief, my man. All right, what else? Ah, breadfruit leaf. But deal with no business out you know, baby one too. Everything in a tree. Everything in a tree. Yeah, man. Hey, mess with me some. Hey, everything there. Ja, you're good till you're too good. Right. Everything in a tree for you. Tree in a one you want, tree in a one you're gonna get. Hey. Right. From them see me know me feisty. Me a one rasta when none of my tasty. No ramp on them pastry. Haitians good shites run me own bakery. Let me take a little further. Long time on the bonfire upon them king burger. Yeah, one rasta. You're good, you know. Sometimes when I show off for me, watch ya. This one I got running belly more. Hey! Me know me feisty. Yeah, one rasta. Hey, running belly time. Everything in a tree for running belly. Yes, man. Thank you, no. You know, see me I do the right, you know. Cause from me I do this. And you show me everything. What me not remember. Hey! From you see me know me feisty. But wait, you're really idiot, you know? Sure. Me I go block her and run her belly at the same time. Jaja, you're good till you're so good. Yes, I. Clear. What happened, see how you do?
Okay, man, you good?
Yeah, man, me I give thanks. Me I give thanks. What you deal with?
Yeah?
What you deal with?
When you come here, yo, Jacqueline. A 4D now, you know? 4D now.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
No.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
All right, all right.
You know, start out with something for me.
All right, here what, here what. Me I go get the last ingredients for you, here. So, everything cool up and ready for me for brew. So me just gotta get the last ingredients. So, check me back in a few hours. Give me about 3 hours and come check me. Enough for phone, me just come.
All right.
All right, me have it ready for you.
Alright. Yeah, thanks. Me soon call link you, man. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah, man.
Aye. I go fix you. Well, Daddy, you good? Me never see you.
Yeah, man.
Aye. Daddy, tell me something. They have no Andrews? Me searching for no Andrews?
Searching a whole for Andrews in there, man.
Aye. We get it here. Blessings.
No, we no,
sorry
so we
about that.
live, and so we live
Yeah.
like this. Yes, remember when we just meet and them sitting there.
Thank you.
Take time eat that.
So babe, no disrespect. You know, me have a talk with you and everything, and you tell me say you want to talk to me about it. You say something on the phone, say you look about it. But me never really understand, but like you're there so right now, you can just fill me in. You say you look about
Well, this come like a confirmation because guess what?
it. Tell me.
The person where I look about this something for me get through down here so for me can conceive now. Me just don't talk to on the phone actually because me dey on my phone and you dey on your phone. You not even pay with no mind, but me soon get pregnant, man. Me soon get pregnant and a triplet more you give me, you know. Jesus Christ.
I want cheap black me having baby.
Yeah, take that.
Babe,
Yeah.
big man level. That sound good to know. Cause you are from over there, me a bust all the clip run out, me a forget I want to from Philippines again. So me I feel like me don't know if we bust a gun.
Let me tell you something.
No, stop.
Why? What you know? Me want 2 boy and 1 girl.
Alright, me I tell you what.
I want the girl over here, so. I want 1 boy here, so 1 here, so.
Listen what me answer, baby. Me I tell you what we're going on now.
Yeah.
You see Father God, you see anything in give it, we are going to take. But here we know now. A broad you like me and dash it so.
Yes.
That means you say anything you get,
Yeah.
we are going to love, we are going to like. You see me?
But me must say, me no like.
What? Babe, talk to me now, man. I want you, man. Talk to me now. Now watch what you want to watch, man. A bad man and corrupt. So we deal with true love in a broad daylight. Now watch him.
Because last night you only do it 1 time. And me did have 1 dream saying you did do it about 3 times. Would I get pregnant, you know, would not fear go to a girl. She named Jacqueline, one of my friend for a long time. She want herbalist.
Babes.
And she a go do it to me, make me can get pregnant.
Babes. She can get you, make you get pregnant. Cause long time you trying, no baby.
Me know, but I'm a friend for a long time, you know.
So yo, you're getting a receipt. Say yo, people when I see him spot where we in a.
Me know say she can do it. She a herbalist and I'm a friend for a long time. I just told me never used to talk to you about her, but she good like that.
Babes, all Sunday morning, I got a ball gun and dog, my laugh off of me, you know.
No, yes, when once she do it,
Yeah.
it go work. It all happen.
Alright, watch you now. You see last night, time in court, so you know your gun now go to bust like how if you bust. But you see tonight, no worry yourself. You see like how you tell me that you know your gun active.
I mean, like when I do it 4 and 3 times.
You have 5 times me ago. Cause you reason why you want a boy or a girl.
Yeah.
For run up and down and keep me active. Me up on the phone too much time, bro. Want to look at you to can't keep me focused and active be.
That's true.
You see me? Run up and down in our house. When you all a cook and me all a wipe, take off pampers and them thing there. You see me? And then me sit there like, you know, school man. So yo, you say I go there now?
Me go check your girl, Jacqueline. That's what she name. Remember
The
me
girl
tell you?
can sort out the thing.
Yeah, herbalist.
Alright, B, go and go check it
Cause
right now.
need to clear, yes.
For yourself, man. For you can sort out the things that go happen.
You know, say me cause he make this happen to me. Cause
Babe,
guess what?
listen me not, babe, listen me not. Say that.
Yeah,
No,
because two me used to go to clinic, go take an injection.
Be,
Injection,
now
the
watch
man
that.
good sitting it a black with you. But
that's why you take this injection and now. We see
no injection, she go give you a herbalist a push.
B, now watch that. I told you this together. Here.
Alright.
See me?
Alright, so I give you money for your lunch.
Jesus Christ, baby. Yo,
See there? $5,000.
yo, me love how you take care of me, you know.
Yeah.
Are you, you know?
Let me later, me I go by girl here.
Yo, babe, come on here.
Yeah.
LOVEYO, you know. Yo, Jonah. Oh, that's cool, baby. Yo, God, mama, hey. Mama look good, hey.
Nobody wave to me and smile. Eh?
Babe, what's wrong? What's the problem?
What's the problem? How you hide from me? Eh?
Baby, me not hide me just long mosquito and you feel like I run me around. Sorry if you feel like I run me around. Me apologize, baby. Why, oh, you are just you, my baby. You know that.
You know, from the other day, me I phone you and a 2 ring and voice note.
Babes, listen to me. Man, just listen to me and say. You see, it company now, then call on the so. You see, down the so, floor and digital. And them are the problem, you know. Everybody phone are the problem. See there, I swear to God be, but me apologize all on my fault. Me apologize. So, you're there now, so I'm a baby. My God, man. What's up? You alright?
Mine and no bun you give me, you know. Not try to give me bun, you know.
Babes, me, coloring book, Omar, your baby, your bun. Babes, no, no do that. Me need one buy bun and carry home. Oh God, be man, just cool man. Me need one buy bun and carry home. That's how I rate you and love you and care. Me need to care for myself like how I care for you.
Me know, you know, cause people are chat. Your name Tinker Road. But me not have no proof yet. Know what you do? And next thing, how my man for their road in a slippers? Eh? Me go on. Me not give you the money the other day for buy clocks, my lord.
Babes, that money they done already. I them they are going hustle our money to buy your clocks.
My man not look like ragamuffin a road, you know. Me done give you the clocks money already. Here what? Put this on top of it here. And next time you see if you look better than that man.
Yo, B, me a go run and mommy right now go buy the clocks. You know, say you say something look wild and not true. You say my name stinking on the street. But them now go tell us say, oh, I name, oh, I love stinking on the street. Bad man and corrupt. Look all that girl, you see you give me money, look wild man, look. Yo, no make them mash up. You know what I think about, baby? I want to tell you something. You know, someone lock me ear too. Cause you're a Rasta, me a Rasta.
Hey, and the Rasta
Wait,
loving
you
you
want
want, you know?
Rasta loving, me have all the ballad loving, but you want to follow me girl and mama then go buy the clock to show you something now, girl on you.
Just know what you do, man, but me have a work for go on. So me can't go there.
Yo, yeah. Alright, watch out now. Come on, why you so then me give you a look at chips.
Come now.
Yo, I see your little name.
Yeah, look, come on.
You, alright, baby, alright. My phone, you hear?
No, come, what time you come on, what time?
Alright, round 4 o'clock.
Yeah, take too long, give me next hour. You can't laugh.
No, you do, you know? And nobody else will clamp you but me, you know? Alright.
Mighty. Why gonna now behave in a town it one bus? Jesus Christ.
He thinks I'm a really idiot, you know. Hey, the pig him raised me, raised the mother, and they probably done dead. I go fix them. Whee! Fixing a business. Yeah, man, you can get a taxi now. Come now. We just have put the last touch. Yeah, man, it's ready. Yes, girl. You know, so me I go fix you up. All right, well, good. I go fix you up. Go. Oh, rebellion. Herb you want? You go fix your business. You go fix your business for you. You go fix your business for you. I love you, but you see when it come to my man, me not around. Why? Save some. Save some. Why Wait. No fizz up too much for her, man. No fizz up. Aye, yes, man. Yes. Hi, this before she come. Come fit, man. Come fit. Boy, no bubble for me. No bubble for me yet. Save some it. Yes, comfy now. Comfy, they're right here.
I cry to the Lord with my voice, for there's no health in their mind.
Well, we couldn't see her. Hey, you come for the thing.
You do it?
Of course. Didn't I tell you something about look after you? Yeah, man, I gotta fix you right up. See it here? So here what you do now. You see this? Me make the most powerful one for you because you're my sister. So, you take it everywhere you go. Yeah? And you just take a cork full. You jerk it down in one, you know. Take a cork full 3 times for the day. Yeah? And it's gonna clear out everything and fix up you. Better yet, keep it with you and sup it throughout the day. Yeah? How good roots this. Sometimes your belly might feel away, you might feel sick. And watch nothing here. I bill it, you. And I clear it, clear you out.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome. Welcome. A 3 in a 1 this, you know.
So,
Make sure you take it, you know.
I'm gonna take it. I take it as you said if you take it. Like a sip. Alright then?
Alright. As a matter of fact, take a sip in front of me now. Take some now, man. If you start, the sooner you start it, the sooner you breathe.
You know,
Hey, bitter in the mouth, sweet in the belly.
Alright, take it out or just sip it.
Sup the cork full. Enough for measure.
So then grainy sitting on the pan.
Remember some herbs, you know? Remember some herbs in a bush? And me concentrate it for you. Kind of one thing you want.
It smell strong, man. You push
Yes,
me down.
man.
But
It's
it's not like them
strong,
grainy.
powerful. Up herb.
Much green. Alright. Just lick
Just
it.
cock your nose and sup it.
Smell strong. Alright.
Swallow it now. Make sure you swallow it.
Jesus!
Yeah, man. Bitter in the mouth, sweet in the belly. Hold it in. Hold it. Swallow. Alright. Good woman. No say. As hard as it is, if you not hold it in, you not go breathe.
Alright.
3 in 1.
Okay. So, what time if you take your rest? Just every now and again?
Just sup throughout the day, man. Till it done. Alright. Bless.
Yeah, man.
3 in 1.
Yeah. My belly kind I swear you did work fast. My belly
Yes,
kind of
man,
feel.
herb. And that you should have done long time and not take the damn chemical, man.
Why you tell me me feel so already? I'm just take it first part.
Because you're full of the chemical, it have to work hard upon you. It'll mash up the chemical now to work on the chemical.
I think me should take a little bit more and see if it don't make me feel a little
Yes,
bit more
man.
worse going.
No, man.
I think me I take it back too. Big.
No, man. Drink some more, man.
Drink some more?
Yes. A herb bush, you know, it can't harm you.
Alright, here.
All right, man. Go on, man. No charge. No charge. All right. Walk good. Soon breathe. The sun turn auntie. You don't believe you're such a fool. We can't wait to hear this judgment. Oh, hey. As a matter of fact, let me go build a split for this one. Shall we? Oh, you're bad.
Oh! Oh, me a put on a belt, so. No, man. Oh. No, sir. Oh. Ratty, that will carry this here. Boy. No, man, can't go no further. Jesus Christ. Oh, me and shit and poop and a belch. Jesus. Lord Jesus, me not even have no tissue. When me go now and if nobody watching me, I have to go bed. How for carry this out? Who wanna not see me? Oh God. I have to go take taxi and think of shit. Boy. Woo.
Me nose under attack. What kind of scent that? I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really not the bush, I go do. You don't have no toilet, and your yard that low.
Jesus. Ooh. No. Jesus. What?
Love the vibes of the sweet sense of me. Let's see if he can do it now.
Yeah, let's see if he can answer me. What, B? Yeah, man. How are you? Tell me something. You get the clocks yet? Yeah, man. And that me love. Yes, cause my man must look good. So how you gonna thank me later? Cause remember say, me spend time my man, you know. Cause you have to look good. So I want a bag of loving. Remember say me gonna start get the Rasta man loving now, you know. Jaja. Boy, baby, how you deal with me so? Why, y'all make me get GT, man? Boy, me have to go hold on strong when me see you later.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Belly a quant me. Father God help me. Woo.
Boy, me have to go hold on strong when... Hey, Later, you see it, each one help one. Me look after you. Yes, me no say you look after me, man. That's why me can't let you go. Me love you, you know. Oh God, me miserable sometimes cause me love you. Yes. That's why me no want no other woman come running on my things. And me and you forever. Me, how you going, so? No, be calm down, man. Remember later. Nah, judge you. I truly love you, man. Me just go on mad sometimes. Nobody now tell me nothing, B. You see you, Daniel. You hear the things you tell me in the ears in the broad daylight. You're too rude. Here you go, answer. Anyway. Which color clocks you did get? The black one or the blue one? Eh?
Jesus. Shut up your mouth. My belly a hot me a chat about raw. Oh. Oh God. Hello? Hello? Hi. Punsi my name, Punsi. Punsi my name. Me can use the bathroom, please, me beg you. Me no say no know me. Miss, me know you don't know me, but I want to use the bathroom, please.
No, darling, I'm not saying about you. By the way, one, the number one and number two.
What?
No.
Sorry. One. One, I mistake me make a two.
So you want to yourself and
Miss. Please.
Hey, calm down.
Where bathroom then? Miss, me can pay you.
$500 use. 5 minutes ago, you get $500.
Me can go when me come and me give you money?
No.
All right.
And listen, please flush it. Come in a normal length change out my bathroom.
Sit here. Where bathroom then? Where?
Hey, in the center. Can I get it? Hello? Please flush the bathroom. What's here? What is that woman's name? Hello? Please flush the bathroom. Come to them people here. Hold on. How am I going to take so long? This past 5 minutes, you know. Yes.
I'm coming.
Hello.
I'm coming, miss.
Listen, this past 5 minutes, don't bang up my bathroom or and come out.
Come in, me wash my hand.
Your $1,000 finish. Come out.
Me come in.
Oh, yeah, wash and I put water in my bathroom, miss.
Miss, me tell her say me come in.
Jesus. Oh, God. Miss, listen, come the way. Hey, don't sit up on my chair. Come this way, man. Then I'm not for do with me. I spend more than 5. I'm supposed to about 3 grand. Supposed to give me no long in my bathroom. Listen to me. I that way I drink, I make you DD yourself. Maybe should I make a DD yourself out the door? Listen, please come off my veranda.
Me know say this a good something for me.
Listen, go on, miss. Go on. Listen, go on. Come out of my yard, No. Me not have a careless in my yard. Lord God, man. Big woman. Look on him. Think up the wall of my place. When the wall of my place, I go smell like Didi for the whole day. Frowns. Lord, God, me open the door and let out it smell. That's why my people use my bathroom, you know. Come know what it's a woman in here. Man. It's how it smell, man. Jesus. I feel like I take up on myself. Look how my house smell.
Eh. Alright, me and you have to go do road with them, you know. Alright, you have to go? No problem. Come here, go round up some food. Alright, love you. Love you. Love you. Oh, you're gone. It's alright. Sure you have other woman? Me know what to do with you, you know. Me know what to do with you. Alright. Like, Bout says she want breed for you. Job business. You see when me done with you, girl? When you not stop living at the toilet, you got shit out your tripe. Hey.
Hello?
No. You again?
Miss. Oh,
You again?
please.
No, listen.
Please, may I beg you? Please.
No, you take this. You take this. No, too much of you. Too much. Stay from my gate. Too much of you for your one day. I just tell us some of them people use my bathroom, miss.
Miss.
$1,000 for 5 minutes. Hello, come here. Stink up the wall of my bathroom while I go, you know.
I could have been your sister.
Look what I be. Me have to buy air freshener for my bathroom where you think up.
Just 5 minutes more, man.
5 minutes more. Hello, don't make me shut me eye.
Yeah.
One.
The tissue what did in there, did done. You put more in there? Me did.
Buy this and put on my bathroom.
Me finish the one with me go in there goes.
You leave. Hello. Don't me shut me eye and I come out of my bathroom. What kind of kill is this Jesus? Why me? Look how much house in the neighborhood. Why that woman ever find for me yard? No man, Me go put a sign right this up on my grill for no entry for strangers for a deed. What kind of kill is this? Look how much yard this a woman here pass. Why she have to come and film me one? Hello? Miss? Yo!
Me coming.
5 minutes done no man. Listen no man.
Oh, thank you.
Listen, Mama tell you. I'm gonna tell you this. Once and for all, if you wanna see me gate, don't come back over here if I did you want did it. Miss, oh God man. Look how much yard you pass out there, so. What me the door, cause in the think. What me the open the door. What you use and wipe your bottom?
Oh, Marina, when me see hang up over his shower.
Oh God. Take you out. Go. No man.
Miss, me put in a bin. Maybe it's.
What's me yard?
Feel like I'm gonna go back in there.
Come out of my yard. Don't come back in here, you hear? You're too out order.
Please, I beg you take up the Marina, Miss Terry.
Come out of my yard, man.
Use a bathroom.
No. Don't come back in here. God.
come up for cook.
You say, appear things me ever know. Oh, she would have days me come by one food, you come home with bad man.
Check the gossip, no?
If you ever know what happened, this man up on me yard, they put me veranda. Say me have a sweep up, you know me just wake up, say me I get little. Alright. One woman come, I will invite you here, things up there. But then sink,
Stick a pin, stick a pin. You know, sister, a food this. I'm gonna go get curry chicken. Change the
so you ask me, Mr. Jacqueline, but then sink it.
Alright,
Think
man. You think my stomach. And I curry chicken, you go order. I don't want to think about that and then you have food, man. Change the subject from the DD subject, man. I can't tell it, man, my stomach.
are you asking no? So I go on the friendly. Oh, you come up to buy food. You know, buy big store over there.
Girl, we are celebrate today.
What you celebrate?
That is for me, if you know and everybody else to find out, but you know.
I saw you know, because I first me see you up with shop.
You know, must know so special here that. But still, me not see you a cook shop neither.
So I'm going to tell you the same DD situation, man.
Chum,
Who's down here?
What does it with stomach? Mommy, you have no curry chicken?
Yeah,
Alright. Don't the subject from that one. The hungry guys.
What go on? No in the jackpot.
Well, it's going, you know.
What go on, Jacqueline?
Hey!
You seem so very happy today.
Oh Lord, you see? When my things come true and my job make it hot, hey! You don't know.
You married?
Man, well, me too young for them. Me not marry now.
Somebody buy you one car?
I know that.
You get $1 million?
You can get more than $1 million.
I hope you don't make them scam you.
No, baby girl.
So when you go get $1 million?
Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. You get your food already?
No. Hello, darling. Good morning. Can I get one fried chicken, please? Leg and wing with curry gravy and pasta. You don't care what you never need. What you have? Leg and what? Big herbalist. You know, I don't care because it's a big gut here for me. You know, say my belly big.
Yeah, man. That's an easy thing. 1 3, man.
Alright. Me come link you, but I don't know. Come on, go eat this food here.
Yeah, man. Just come check me. Phone me when you
I
come.
have a friend as big herbalist and I have this a big gut in front of me.
Cause I love the pharmaceutical too much, man. I never come check me for the herbs and the right thing.
Alright, my girl, come. Me not go check you now, you know. Yeah, alright.
Alright, later. I just...
What's that for? You don't want to say something?
What?
I can't come up here and go eat this food. I can't pour up on me and think I did it.
Done the argument, man. You see, if you make me waste my food, you pay for it. You can come up in my yard, yes? But done the argument, man. You say if you done the argument. Sure.
No, sir. Girl, that deed is said there.
You want to go back to your yard?
Alright, listen up, make you come. Who come go? Make you talk about the belly now, if you take it off.
Yes, man. The right bush for you.
I want to take off this belly here. But guess what? I can't stop nyama like a chichi.
That's your problem. You have the wrong things. Nothing wrong with yam, you know, you have to eat. But eat the right things. And then every minute, everybody want to run go to pharmacy and put the chemical in here. And that'll slow you down, man, but we have the right thing for you.
I hope so, you know, I hope it work. I be a friend.
Yeah, man.
Do. Me, I beg you, no charge me enough, because me broke.
Broke.
Me broke.
Broke and look so big. You're not broke, man, and every minute you're yam. You're not broke, man.
Friend, so charge me a little bit of money.
You don't like see black people have anything, you know. May I charge you for me charge you, me not rob you. But hard work, I'm here for walking in the sun.
Jacqueline, me I come from far.
Me have to come here sweat. Me have to walk in the sun, source the things, me not rob you, man.
Jacqueline, me I come from far, man.
Done the far. My belly I run far. Come I want my food. Come I'm hungry bad, you know. Look after you, man. Me look after you. Yes, nice bad. The only thing with us about that the place, the only thing they can do better is extend it, man. Make people sit down and yam, because sometimes, boy, the food nice, but by the time it get here cold.
True, but you eat it hot.
Yes,
so
nice, man.
like I'm around here already. Want to do something? What me did I tell you about? Kind of me say me go around and come back. Now this a hot sun out here.
Aye, yeah, man, me I go get it for you. Alright, me soon come.
Alright, me there. Remember no charge me. How much you charge me?
Now watch the price, man.
Come remember say me and your friend for my longer all the time. Yes, man. I want to take off this belly here. When me go out in a bath, so the man them supposed to look and say, Jesus, flat belly, big body. So I can't wait to see the results. Hurry up, Jacqueline, hurry up. I'm going to buy the air freshener for my house.
Alright, see.
Oh, you come back. You take like a long door.
Sit here.
Right, sit here. This is it, man.
Right.
Alright, so if you use it.
Let me tell you how to take it now. You take a cork full in the morning, you see, before you eat.
This, one cork full.
Take a cork full. Now watch the taste here. Okay. Anything between a mouth, sweet in a belly. And then after you take the first cork full, you leave it for about an hour. Then you can eat. But nobody eat trash, man. I make it have to work hard. Eat good food.
Good food. What you call good food?
Nature food, man.
Like?
Don't bother with the holy carcass.
Like banana and dumpling and them something?
Not leave out the starch, man. The fruit and the vegetable and drink up your herbs.
But what are different? I'm not say write the recipe or nothing on it. So I'm going to know what in there.
I can't give away my recipe. A herbalist Jacqueline me name, you know. Now me tell everybody what in there. Them I gotta do them own thing and nobody now come to me. A business me I run, man.
That makes sense, friend. But it's true, me your friend, me kinda I don't really want every them say do buy post in a bag. I don't really want drink because I don't know what in there.
No problem. Give it back to me
No.
and continue with the fat belly,
Listen, man. Me your friend, man. What you going so?
Well, since me are your friend, you know. And you see the size of the buckle?
It look strong, man.
Yeah, man.
Strong for sure.
So,
Alright, me come go round.
Hi. I just a 10,000 I want for you.
10,000.
How?
No, man, Jacqueline, man. Me tell us I don't pressure me, girl.
Me not pressure
Me not have
you.
it, man.
Me not
Time rough,
pressure
you
you.
know. Time rough, bad. Me just buy some furniture put in the house. Me not have it, man, Jacqueline. Oh, God, man. Listen, friend, listen. It hard, you know, it rough. A 2 grand me make from today. A small me dig it off for. I know I can't really tell you who me dig it off for. Because sometimes you tell me, say, see I'm blind here and there. Sometimes if you shut up my mouth, so me I shut up my mouth now. I can't really tell you who me get it off for. But listen up, here what. Where's the jumpy, me and a friend?
Let me tell you something. If you can't afford one, a plan me I put you on, you know. Can't work it have to go work. So this is the first one. So I don't know what you're gonna do. Either don't go for it or you find a chopper man deal with it, man.
Where me go find chopper man from? No, listen now. Stop going to EST, me and your friend. I can't believe say you deal with me.
Friendship now running a business me a run. Friend.
I not like how you go because if I did you, me that give you, man. But listen, I'm going to tell you what happen, right? I not have it now, but I will look at 10,000 by tomorrow bring come here. I really need it, you know. You know, say my belly big. My belly have to go down so I can get the rich man them so I can bring come. You know, jump off a piece of food part, the rich man like fat girl.
No, man, a business, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Just give me a little time, no, man. Please, me I beg you. Me your friend, you know, me not like how you go on with me.
Alright, sure you know. Okay, you know, so me not ramp with my money.
No way, you know me gonna give you the money, man, Jacqueline. Enough time I know you come around the yard and me give you food.
Alright. Weekend, you know, don't make weekend pass. Come have to go buy and source back up the herbs and feel.
Alright, listen. Me go up on the road, you know, because see if me can hunt it or something. You go get your money, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright.
Make sure it work.
Of course.
Come and while look sick and happy to my body. Alright.
this is sexy herb, you know.
Alright, friend, cause I can't wait to be sexy. But anyways, we go on to turn now so we can sexy up to them on them. See you soon. Alright, girl. Sure. How are you doing? You know that's something me I call about though? Yes. I don't feel good. I'm going to go to the doctor. Yeah, but the doctor charge $13,000 for visit and plus for medication and all of them something there. What you mean by you already give money for the ear and nails? That's a ear and nails money. You have to have me to feel good money, you know. So hold on. Oh, so because you give me money for the ear and nails, you expect say the ear and the nails done do already. I don't feel good. What you want me to do? Drop down? Listen now. Sir, shake up your folly grounds. You are a woman, so you have to can't spend per woman. Shake up your folly grounds, man. Where you there? Alright, listen. Me I walk come around your yard. I almost reach your yard gate. So please make sure you have $13,000 for the visit and plus me I want medication. I don't know how much. Yes, medication there. So you can run another $25,000. If more I'm gonna call you back. When me in the yard. Listen, me never my way I got your yard. So please, by the time I reach up there, reach your yard. Because I want to forget doctor. I really emergency. Alright. Yeah, and you know me and a flap girl. So if my toe or my finger or anything at my even my head hurt me I forgot doctor. When I run joke, so now they come tell me about take no pill, no me depend them something there. Me have to go to doctor. You want a hot girl, so you have to pay for hot girl treatment. I am coming. Okay, sir. Please don't go out there for you, no coming like wait. Alright. Boy, you want a hot girl. Yes. Cause when boy want flat baby, he's got to pay for it, but I don't know joke with no man. But it's my friend on there. But me a hot girl walking a soon. Jacqueline! Jack!
Oi!
Girl, me a come over here. Alright. Jacqueline, hold your dog, you know. Because I see him come and I back. Hold him. Oh. Where you there? I was with that girl. Jackie. Girl, you gone back in the house here, hear me a call. I don't understand you.
Me have pan fire, man. You want
How are you cook?
Never mind that. You have the thing.
May I have it, yes? So you're not telling me where you cook here?
No.
What are you taking money, so? Me I rob you?
You have to check money, business or business, but what a way you get it quick, no.
Girl, know where yourself. You know, so when me go, so, a boy have a drop. I'm not run a joke.
Hey, wait till you lose the belly.
And them that time the money go come, girl.
Yes.
All for resort, me you can go and pray. So you know, say I'm a friend. But you know, say, I'm a way I cook.
You know, say you're a hot girl, eh? And you know, for ask people where them are cooking, you know. Are you for cook?
Of course, me a hot girl. You know, say ear do, nails do, girl. Lavish lifestyle, hotness, pure hotness. But anyways, you know, I come take my little time grown. Cause you know, I give them nice food and I want something to eat, you know. So, see you later. Girl, this something look like it's a work, but my belly look like it's a go down. Yeah, but big urban is fresh. Anyways, you know, me come go round. Yes, me come go round.
Remember for come back before the buckle done, you know.
It's so done, girl. No worry yourself. But guess what? I don't want to trust that more for you. So I have to own a piece of food. So you can jump in your heart.
Come back
you
with
know
the
when the
food,
belly flats and some of us pack up and pure thing. Girl, money to go round.
It's
Me
a
soon
work.
come do. Later.
One Miss Hot Gal, eh?
Hey, go on with yourself. Wait till it start work on you. Hot girl. Hey, you gonna see what hot girl do.
Oh, it look like I can't hold this for go home. Jesus.
I lie, I tell dog. Yo, Bad Jones. Outside. Eh. I run up in that yakichi them G. You see how when Master Mata about say, oh. Lo yakichi them Hold on them dog. Must who call her back. Hold on, Pinky. Are you that? Hold on, are you that Pinky?
No, not me.
What you mean, no me? No me? As a hot girl like you? No man, come here man. Come here man.
What you do?
What you mean, what you do? Take your picture man. No man. Hot girl a shit about.
Concrete balloon, what you do? No, please. Me I beg you. Concrete balloon, me I beg you, please. No.
No man, what you mean no? No man, video man. Video.
No.
Stop the video. Oh, show your face. Oh, show your face man. You tap a video. Me say show your face. No man, girl a shit about man.
Concrete balloon, listen.
Concrete balloon.
We can't talk about it. Wait. We can't talk about it. Concrete balloon, me have money.
Concrete balloon,
Me have money.
No man, girl a shit about.
Listen, we can't negotiate. Me have money.
You know how long man a look you?
We can't pay you.
How long man a look you? Hot girl a shit.
We can't pay you. Listen, no.
Pay you. Show your face. Hot girl a shit about people. See it?
Listen, it's complicated. Listen to me.
Hot girl a shit about people. TikTok time. 1 minute.
Concrete balloon, please. We beg you.
Show your face. No TikTok see you.
Me not shit. We can't negotiate. We can't keep balloon. Listen up.
You know how long man a look you?
No, please, me I beg you.
No concrete. TikTok see it here. See it here. Yeah man, see it here. No yourself.
Concrete balloon, me can't pay you, no.
Yo, me want you here.
Alright.
Make sure.
Don't post it, please.
No. Yo, we still don't want you though, yes. But not.
Don't post it, don't post it.
Yo, listen me. Check my number. Memorize my number.
Yeah, talk.
432
432
4815.
4815, please.
Call me now.
No.
Call me.
No.
Me pass the betel.
Concrete balloon, listen. Jesus Christ.
Follow, listen.
God,
Hey. Now see girl. Hey.
I want make you one so happy. I want good so.
More than happy man, I know.
I want
Real, eh?
share some of the happiness, man.
So you never happy yet and just want to keep it to yourself and just know say how things is gonna work out for you in life.
Oh, I saw you do it. I saw you do. You
Hold
fi
on,
share
hold
the
on.
love, man. You fi share the
Hold
love.
on. You never happy yet in life. Sure now say something gonna work out for you. You never happy like that yet.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course. That's my one little piece of it too.
This Jackie you too fast.
Share it, man. Share
You know,
it. You
you
know,
know,
so you can't keep
You
it,
know,
man.
let me get to our roots then.
Yes, man.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Let me
man.
think. Eh?
Oh, so a girl, you're fine.
Yeah, you see you.
A girl, you're fine. Make you want to strung up your back.
You see you. Yeah, man, it's this Jackie. You're too fast, you know. Yeah, big everybody in that place, yo.
Yes, man.
All foreign me see a thing there.
Yes. People come from Africa, me help them.
Ghana,
Yes. All Europe too.
Uganda. All them places me people.
Zimbabwe, everywhere.
Kalang.
Chile, everywhere, man.
Them places-
Nigeria, everywhere. Yes.
So we are dealing.
I'm just a cool out because the sun a beat me, man. The sun a beat me.
Hold on, man. Yo, hey, Anthony, big up yourself. Yo, things that gonna work out for me, you know.
Moss.
You never see me with a girl yet, no?
No.
We are gonna see me with girl.
Me know something that make you happy,
You're
man.
gonna see me with a girl.
Okay.
The girl is gonna run me down like when fly running down, you know.
Hey. Nobody like you.
Yo, oh, yeah, man. we
I'm
must-
happy for you.
Yo,
I'm
so,
happy for you.
believe me, man. So, what's up? Don't tell nobody, you know.
How are this?
You don't know that girl? You don't know her?
It's Star work already.
Star work already. What you mean?
No worry about that. I really pinky that.
Pinky. Remember me I tell you, say them girl, say them a hot girl like road. No, you
Yeah, man. Nobody hot like a she, you know.
think I know me I look her?
Hold on.
You think I know me I look her, Miss Jackie? And can't get her? She have some boy around her, so I drive crown and let me sit there. Watch and see if I know me more love now.
With that, she go worship the ground you walk on, man.
I TikTok me I put the pan now. TikTok me say me I put the pan now. Believe, eh?
No, man. That not nice.
Oh, you mean that no nice?
Oh, God. That not nice. And are your future girlfriend, you gonna do that too? Or your future wife? No.
So, no.
Not do it,
You
concrete.
know,
Not
some
do it.
future wife too.
Then no most. You see that the video you have? Jesus.
So,
Are your
man.
baby mother that you know?
I forget
I
to
feel your
tell you,
baby
man.
mother.
But right now, me I tell you, say, you know, bush and think of shit, you know. Yo, say, yo, in thinking,
Oh, God.
I told man, but yo, me don't know where you gonna, me don't know if I sitting when I'm sitting there.
She name something or drink something for true.
You don't drink sit there and I'm sitting, but still
Your
sitting
belly
right.
take her road.
I road. But you know, everything up for a good purpose. Alright, I know me I look for a baby mother.
But me not lie to you, you know.
Eh.
Your stomach strong, you know. You have an iron stomach, you know.
Two man come.
Oh, you can tan so long and
No,
video
I
or
saw me
what,
with that.
yeah.
Auntie Jackie, look no man, I saw me with that.
You're bad. You're bad.
Yo, I saw me with it, man. Yo.
Oh,
so-
God.
But yo, me I go everywhere this, me I show me bridging them.
No do her
No,
that,
no,
man.
something
No, man. You have to think what you would want done to you, you know.
So man, me not show them man. All the bojo alone me I show, but they don't know me not show them.
No, man.
Yo, I'm bridging them there now.
Ah. Not sure them and not put it up on thing.
Ah,
Here.
yeah man.
All
You
right.
think about that man. You don't, you know.
All right.
Big up yourself.
All right. Big
All right,
man.
yo.
Yeah, man.
Yo, line up when I sit them for me
You
man.
just I gotta say you want some.
When I sit them,
Hey.
you know.
You see when we
All
done
right,
with
yeah.
you, if you fix your business for you.
All right.
All right.
for me, yeah.
Lion lock.
That's it.
Yeah, man. What love.
Big up, yeah.
Right. Right to the work fast. Work fast, man. Oh, my belly. Ooh. Are you concrete? We want something? Hey, mine, you know.
She might catch you back a bush or back a wall. Oi, Jackie, you're bad till you're too bad. Oi.
Yeah, Bojo. Me I sit for show you out. Yeah, down there.
It's a landlord that would even fix up a place. You want to get up every day in an argument with people. Look funny how broke down sitting. Me I pay money for.
Oi. Yes. Ow. Jesus. Oh. Ow. Ah. Ow! Jesus Christ! What make me feel so? Boy. What make me feel so? Jesus. No. Come like me, I feel go by communities. Wow, Jesus Christ. Boy. And if nobody will catch me over my community center. Nobody will watch me. Jesus.
I wonder if them are right down here. Because that one look much better, you know. This look too expensive. Hold my head straight. Too expensive. I don't have money there right now. It's not done yet. Sorry. Excuse me. Oh, she gone. Hello? I rent one room on here. How much do I rent it for? Huh? If you go look at it. Alright, I'm coming.
Jesus. Cheese and peace. Cheese and peace. No, sir. What could have happened to me?
Wait, Punsy. Are we at the community center, girl? Sure.
Go on, Lisa. You alright?
Yeah, man, me good, man. Just I wonder see what you do over here, so.
Wait, let me come.
And what Punsy do over here, so now?
Sorry. You never hear say some new people are come over here so today can take on people for work up at hotel. I community center this, you know?
No,
You know
sir, me don't hear that part there.
I community center when you want job.
Then hold on the Punsy, hold on there. Then all work I give over here, so I mean not hear about that. And a matter of fact, how nobody know over here, where people then there?
I come too early, man. I see they not come yet, but me there too long now. But 1 hour wait. And the people them say at 8 o'clock, and you know how much o'clock now? As soon 11 o'clock, it look like me have to go away. Right now.
Oh, but still and still, more ask you one good question. You know where they are rent?
Yes, if you know, me no know. Me no know no way.
Yes,
No way.
Me say Punsy,
Mm-hmm.
hold on there. What that?
How you smell?
Me no know, something smells stinky as the man and the name smells so stink. And the name so stink when me come here, since the breeze start blowing. No man.
Smell it too. I smell it too.
Then if you clean up the community center, man, over here, think bad.
Petrol. I don't come back over here, you know, I go wait to see if me get work from the people them, but
Sorry.
I too think, man.
Then I really over here, so them go give you a walk over here, so think.
I don't know, but me have to left right now, you understand? me have to left. Lisa, we call you.
Yeah,
Lisa.
alright. No, sir. Something did there, so.
Jesus Christ. What?
Punsy, you good?
Yes!
Me a wait for you right there, so man, cause something no look right.
Alright!
No, sir, what a Punsy today?
Lisa, me a come here. No man. Why am I burp so much time? No sir, every minute me have to go to the toilet. Okay, I'm at Lisa! Me they come! Yeah girl!
Not even walk come over the thinking place there, you know. That's why I not come over there. What a stink, man. If you say a community center, they need to do better. Like dog did over there, drunk us who are pitch down. So I make you walk so little, Punsy.
Girl, you know no money can give me figure a doctor. Me have one sciatic nerve problem in my knee, my back, my neck, everywhere. Yes.
Like make you hop so and I go on so.
Yes.
So Punsy, I walk going and me hear you scream out. No man, Punsy sitting there man, you're sick for true man.
No.
You're sick.
I just pain me I feel. Me not feel sick man, me not sick. Me not sick.
So I make you go back over the community center.
You know say, you see when me sit down all long and wait for the people them. I you know say, me left my purse. Yes, me have one little purse in this handbag and me left the same place so me did sit down over there and wait for them. You see how me could have lose all my phone?
But Punsy, you left sitting over there again.
How?
I wipe back where they have in here. You don't have it again.
That's sure. Me don't want that the white bag there again. Me take out what did in it and put in this.
Oh, so
I want it, so me fling away. Fling away a bush. I can't bother if I walk with so much bag. This round me neck, that in my hand, and then me have to drink this.
Seems like somebody sent from over a community center left off pocket. You have to go and go bed, Punsy. I'm not lying. You have to go and go bed. Somebody sent either dog or something dead over there. So. No, true. Somewhere, you just don't know over there. Like they now watch you sitting them properly over there, you know. Because somebody sent left off for you, because it chang down this and it come like it chang up here so.
Lisa, I style me. Where you want to say? Me sit down in a shit?
No. You say it and no me.
No, me dey ask you, because what me smell like? Me beard look on me clothes.
Yeah, but over there so stink. Remember so we done this so look well now and sent a box me left alright in a Punsy. Punsy, nobody bring up no shit argument. So I don't know why you have to bring up shit. Nobody say nothing about shit, are you?
Then if you dey go on like I say, you smell something stink. I ask you if that you tell me about.
Something dead over there so.
True.
Over there stink. I go sit on side right there.
No man. Sitting dead over there for sure. Me not go back over there. Stink bad. Where did I say again? Boy, you want somewhere for rent?
Yeah, I want somewhere for rent. Come out, I brought down piece of house up there so. You don't know, so the dirty landlord. After me I drop through the floor, you know. Drop through and me, you want me to take me little time. I'm big already, you know me big already. So there's no taking a time for me. Anyway, I'm going to tell me about how she want to put 5 grand per rent. Feel like the little brought down board. But see, you need to go to a doctor, sitting there for true.
No, do me man. What you say about it? What you say about it, us?
It seems like something there, but I want somebody to reason with it, so I have to go reason with it.
Alright, you can reason with me one next time here. Reason with me one other time, not today, girl. Wait, hold on. Girl, reason with me one next time. You can't reason with me no, man. Me talk to you. Somewhere up so, up at Jacqueline, them a rent place. Ah!
Place rent, you know.
Miss Jacqueline! Miss Jacqueline!
Oi there, who that?
A Cheryl daughter, man.
Wait, Alicia, are you that?
Yeah, man.
Come true, man. How you act so shy? Come, long time in a see you.
Jacqueline, long time no
Oh
see you.
God, let me see you, man. Oh God, you look good. You look good.
Yeah, man. Me a grow, man.
How your mother?
You know, so she good. Everything alright with her, man. First of all, me have to big you up.
Sure.
Me hear say your herbs them around the whole nation.
Yes, yes, yes. And the healing for the nation for true. Yes,
Yeah,
man.
so everywhere me come here about Miss Jacqueline herbs them.
All foreign. Yes, yes. Come in the shade, man. The sun hot.
Nice shading.
Yes, man. You know, say what we put in our body, or that mash we up, or that bill we. So that me I do.
So you help everybody.
Yes.
White, black, brown, everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah, I told Miss Jacqueline, me not tell no lie. Yeah, I told her, me glad me have a big yo.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
I'm glad.
my other friend is a star.
Then the most, we just love help people. The herbs is a miracle, you know. God give it a miracle. Last year, a white man come over from Canada, you see? Blind, can't eat. Look after him, man. Him a fly go back, and him sight come back, him appetite come back, everything. Yes, man. At the real healing of the nation, it cure everything.
Me like that, me like that. Like that.
Me love
like. I'm glad, man, me have to big you up, I'm glad. Maybe one of them day, I go out to me herbs, but nothing else. Everything good with me right now, but one of them day.
Yes, man, I'm here for check, man. We will look after you.
Okay.
Can me help people, man? You see them young girls there and eat too much and bloat out. Them come to me and me flat up the belly. Yes, man, I'll give them shape.
When I say,
Of course, me will help you, man. The other day, a man come from Manchester, you see, and he couldn't walk. Things there on him and he couldn't walk. Him got check doctor. You see, when he come to me, I me broke the things them and medicine him up. Hey, that man dance out to me yard, you know. He couldn't stop kiss me up and thank me. Yes, man.
you're going good then, man. Me hear all the story, but me know say so intriguing anyway.
Yes. That's why I say the healing of the nation and not just words. See, all with you now. We can't help you. I mean, not charge nothing too big. Yes, man.
Help
Me
me
make,
how?
me make belly come down in 3 days, you know.
3 days.
3 days. No diet.
So, Miss Jacqueline, if you can make my belly go down in 3 days, would I really want to know why another herbs there? Or
Well.
in there?
Me use the good bush them, you know. Donkey blood, verbine.
Well, Miss Jacqueline, stop. Well, stick up in. What is a donkey blood?
Yes.
Oh, me no know about that one day.
You see?
Me know about dog blood. Me don't know about donkey blood. Real donkey blood?
And that make me unique. Them are stick to the old time medicine that they don't know the new things them. And them not go Africa like me. Me go Africa and me learn from the real doctor them.
Well, that's true, no, Miss Jacqueline, but donkey blood?
Yes, them don't know about them the bush. A dog blood them know about.
It's a real donkey blood, as in donkey blood.
Not be so stupid, man. How the bush name so?
Oh.
So who land you know say them have a bad herb. It name puss blood, you don't know about it?
Eh?
Yes, man.
Mr. Clean, me feel see I that I try to for now, you know. Cause me don't know nothing about no donkey nor no puss blood. Me know about dog blood.
Oh, I so make so much people sick. Cause them not had the knowledge. And knowledge is power. Let me tell you something. You see why some of these people are sick up bad and hospital can't help them? They might take bush, but they might take the wrong bush. You see, when dogs sick, them gonna bush and medicine themselves. And the bush help them, you know, but it does something to them digestive system. And you see, when the dog them go piss up on the bush them, and then go pick that and boil it and they call it dog blood, and the wrong bush them a drink.
So you try to tell me same. I when dog piss pan bush I eat. That's why I name dog blood.
Yes, so the wrong bush people pick. Because people see the dog them a do them thing on the bush. Right? And then pick it and talk it as medicine and call it dog blood. That's the wrong one, man.
I be drink dog.
See there? Me for you come to man, you for come to me and me will look after you.
No man, but me not really want to lose no weight, you know, me perfect with my belly and so off. But me hear say I rent place up here.
Man.
Yeah, so me want somewhere for rent, cause me have one little dirty landlord on the side of Miss Jacqueline. True, me have manners, but me not chase her the proper way, you know. You don't want to see the room where the woman rent me. Me literally drop through the floor, you know.
Jaja.
You want to see me if you take me little time and tip toe me big already, so me can't tip toe big already. And then every time rain fall, my bed soak.
No man.
Every time rain fall, my bed soak.
A chicken coop she put you now.
Kill me in this car be a hole in the house. The door me have to knock something on the door, we can't lock.
No.
Me say, and then the woman want big old 20,000 she rent me for. And now she tell me say she want put 5 more thousand upon it. So me have to move out.
Of course.
Move, man.
Of course.
Right.
No, so a chicken coop she put you in now.
The worse than chicken coop.
I put human being in there. But me have this little one room I try rent from where they come look.
That one here.
I have running water and everything. Remember how the room stay?
Why that nice, man?
Fan in there and everything.
And me there rent that episode sitting. No.
You should have come check me first, man.
Me never know when Miss Jacqueline or somebody me see and somebody tell me say I rent room up here. Yeah, no.
You remember saying yes, you used to sleep?
Yeah,
I mash up the chair. Mash up my chair. Your mother still not pay me for the chair yet.
Miss Jacqueline, I found me a penny that, you know. A big woman now, you know, Miss Jacqueline. So I just say I rent it for now.
Boy, it's a big room still, you know. And it's a nice room. I made it just do it up. But since I made raise you. I'll give it to you for 18.
18? Not no bad at all. You're moving there. No.
Today you come?
Yeah, me I go for my things them. Then it's a all yard on there, so I'm moving there.
Which is right. But you know, sir, business are business still.
Yeah.
So you have to go give me a little half of it. You know, to secure the place. Because anybody can come and ask and appear.
Problem come in the walk with my money in it.
Yes. Half of it, you know again.
9.
Yeah, man. Ah, you walk with your money then. But you're clever. Me love that.
Alright, from 9 you say? Alright.
Well, me raise you, so me trust you.
Yeah, man. So, me up go for my things them and come back to the.
Alright.
Even another hour me I spend.
Alright, so that me love.
Nice seeing you.
Big up me and like how you come and live here. Me know me I go see her more often.
Come up here, man. No worries.
Alright, remind her about the hers. Me I go clean the room for you. Alright. I make sure says she keep the room tidy, you know. And some of them young girl and nasty, you know what?
Man, fi have no girl in a bungalow. Go up on the road now. How this? Hello. Pink, wait, what on? No, I'm not telling nobody.
Oh. You know, a long time I like it, but a long time I observe you. You want to come give me a link? Alright, baby, not so far too. I do run on my yard.
Alright. So, how you live again?
Yeah, man, right when Auntie Mama you say, you don't know when I saw. Yeah, man, right in front of Auntie Mama yard. You come give me a link now? Alright, baby, me wait for you.
Boy, alright, me I come check you now, yeah? No, me I come check you. Yeah? Alright.
See, that my way or the secret way.
Auntie Pearl. Yeah, no, star. Auntie Mama. Most yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Ano yan? Hello? Thank you.
Yeah. Come now, darling. Always tell about the nice son. Come in, man.
Wait, a darling, my name now. I something I grow fast. Press forward. Darling. Yeah, this.
Nothing, come in.
So I can get to a one ball game.
Forward before nobody see you.
Eh?
Nothing come.
You have to open from out. That's oh, see. You go like you know, man from out. Why you hide?
I'm not hiding. Come on.
Remember, so we are partner now. You know? You really can see them.
Hey, man, you're my baby. Come.
Sure. Baby. Baby. Yo. Ayun na sa. Baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right here, so.
A ball game. What? My place nice, though, my friend.
Thanks.
How about that?
I'm not wearing who else?
So, I can't lie down pa rin. I can't lie down pa rin.
You can lie down, your man now, you know.
Forward, man.
Yeah, just say my place. Yeah, my man now. Just say my place or your place.
Alright. Take off my shot.
What you want to do?
Alright.
Feel comfortable, like home. Yeah.
I say I said, man.
So me I sweat for 1 minute?
1 minute.
Yeah, me not understand. Oh, yeah, 1 minute? Just 1 minute, sir? And you go on the streets or you attack man and you this and you that. I think you last all about half an hour, 1 hour. 1 minute?
Nah, man, it's too. Let me tell you what, man. Let me tell you what, man. That too. It's too me anxious or we like that, man. That go on, man, and too me kind of did, you know.
That even shake me up. 1 minute, seriously?
No, man, that too me tired, man, and too me did anxious, you know, and I have enough things for the brain, you know.
What is so?
That. So yeah, push me, sir.
No 1 minute, man, never come in my house yet.
That's cool, man. I have more, sir.
What's it?
I have one, sir.
Matter of fact, you know more ask you one question?
Ask the question.
You delete the video for your phone?
Come on.
One thing me have to tell you, you know, make sure you delete that video that for your phone. One thing me have to tell you, make sure so you delete that video that for your phone. Cause you not come use it and ruin my career and not around here so.
Take the video thing out and be, you know, like me long time and me like you.
Yeah, me like you, no, me like you now. But at the end of the day, me want you delete the video. Me don't want nobody see the video cause me know what no man say. Matter of fact.
Yo.
Where your phone there?
Me don't have a phone for me. Me let my phone up a yard, man.
Make sure you delete the video, you know. Concrete balloon don't run no joke with me. Make sure you delete the video.
I want to top call, man, can't keep alone, man. Cause I'm here, man. I know some man, me think tougher now, man. Me boss now.
Alright, Ozzy. But remember say you have to delete the video. You don't have to have it none at all.
But watch now. You see the video? That all tight, baby. You understand? Don't feel like me I use my video and blackmail. Me nah do that, baby. Remember say a long time like you see it? Nobody, me not show nobody video. I delete the video same time, you know. Same time as
you sure?
Come like a light.
No, I'm not say a liar. No, listen, babes. I'm not say a liar. But I just want to make sure. Understand? Because as long as you don't have that video in your phone, me and your wife forever. We can have married. Long as the video delete. Married. Me can be Mrs. Concrete Balloon. You hear? The video have to delete first though. Come on, like it too, you know.
If it's a good man. Cause watch now. So my video it. Me I look back for the video all the time and I can't see it, you know. And I say, no, say look like the video, I delete it out. Don't worry about no video, man. Remember say I'm a wifey, you know. Me, like I am a wifey. You think so I'm going to expose her like that?
I don't know.
Yo, not even budget them, I not show a video. I know so I'm budget them close.
Make sure. Next time you bring your phone when you come
like you know. I go show a budget, but I not bother. Because I say, yo, look at now. Sorry for you. And I say, yo, probably say like a running belly there. Me fi ask her though. How are they going with you?
You know, I know me not realize, me not know though. I know me not know. But guess what? It can't happen to anybody. Anybody can. You know, say, and what do you do? One woman they come in and come did in my house. And from that the smell left in here so.
So I'll be a deed business I go on that place.
As me say, it can't happen to anybody. Anyways, me I come go and come have something in there for do. And please me I beg you. See anytime when I come back to me yard, the 1 minute thing now go work with me.
Hold on man. Listen me I tell you sir. You see anytime I come here sir, I run here I go run out of that. Watch how me I go do. Me have a perfect. Me tell you so me I get some rest. Me tell you a while I got some rest, me need rest you know. And I'm anxious. You see like how me know you now. Me not anxious again. So watch out so I go on and me come here.
Stop the talking and do action. Anyways, later come here, come go in.
Watch and see.
Bye-bye.
You go see.
Yeah, bye. Later.
God, no. Come on. Come on, you can't make some G come show you.
Later. Bye-bye. I know.
360 no man.
Later though, cause that's something having this.
Later, yeah.
Alright.
I remember now, me a power up, yeah. Now I get some rest.
Next time, no more 1 minute.
Oh, dear, me I get some rest. You see me forward? Watch me, watch how I go on. Watch how I go on. You see, you must hear some.
You can't.
Like a lion. Later, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Remember, so me tell her that, yeah? Think me a play? I must be some me a play. Auntie my boy! Yo, me tough in a youth. Remember me tell you out.
Me. Look the blood around the time you walk past me. Never friend in Chacha. This when I ever treat. This when I ever had. Never ever ask somewhere. That's the love on you know. And just show me the right things. Yes, man. Tree. Yes, three of this, three of that. Yeah, man. Everything's set, you know.
Miss Jacqueline! Miss Jacqueline! Miss Jacqueline! You look like she not there, so. She not there.
In Georgia, best friend I've ever had. You didn't lock the door. How was this? How was it? Jesus! Hey! You frightened me, you know, girl.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Miss Jacqueline, me tell us I'm serious about the thing, you know. I want to find on this man, so me come up early.
Yeah, man. Me glad to see you. True, me never expect you.
So, how are you doing them, Busha?
Me go pick some bush, cause me have ever ready, you know. This are the donkey blood me I talk to you about.
That purple looking something.
I saw it strong. I saw make them call it donkey blood, cause donkey strong. I saw make it will work so fast. So me tell you, so me can cure you in 3 days.
No, me alright, me good. Maybe one next time, but nothing now, you see me?
Alright.
No want to know, yeah.
Alright.
So what I want to name?
This one?
Yellow one.
This one a yellow heart. And you hear a yellow heart? It good for your bladder. It clean you out. And by the time you don't drink this, hey, your water clear and clean.
So, and this
This one no. This one good for your blood. This one clean the blood. Me tell you some miracle in the ground, you know.
yeah. So that's much bush there we don't know about.
Yes, that's why me say knowledge is power. People rely upon what them grandparents teach them. Me go clear Africa, Ghana. Go learn from the best.
That's nice, that's nice. At least we have one African in Jamaica. That's very wonderful. Yeah, you see people like Uno, I'm glad so Uno they are Jamaica. You see all of the medication and the pharmacy sitting there, people them a take, they would have dead already.
That's true.
For them, all the old man we say they find up a man they will come down here. Probably would have pronounced by now.
Yes.
Yes. Stress about you know. But you come at the right bush that.
Make the blind see.
I love this.
Yes. I make the lame what? Hey. And not just Jesus want do it, you know. And him teach we everything we need him put on earth. I just wait for do it, man.
Yeah, man.
I gotta put them here for quail.
Yeah. And then cook up a storm.
Aye. Talking of cooking up a storm. Yeah, the other 9,000 familiar to do.
Yeah, later me again, man. Know yourself about it. But, Miss Jacqueline, what do you think of it? And a mountain for me give her 9,000.
On a mountain. Whether beginning a month, middle a month, or end a month.
Oh, but mountain me I will get, man. Mountain.
Alright, man.
Yeah,
the 24th would work.
24th? Alright, no problem.
Alright. So the 24th, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm going to put them down in the sun for the dry. Oh, yes. Lisa, you hear anybody who want a bush? Remember to link me here?
Alright, Miss Jacqueline.
All right, healing of the nation.
Boy, look like you worse than the other landlord. You did reach nowhere in a month yet good, and you want to raise some money.
Darling, how you go? Yeah, man, I go past a link, my friend, the herbalist, you know.
What go on?
You know, so there.
How you both, sister?
How you dealing?
I'm there. I look and live and give thanks.
So, say I know, say, check up on a thing, you know.
Look like somebody bingo. You bingo with the girl.
Hey, Miss Jackie, you know, say, you're not easy, you know, people business, you know.
Everybody come to me with them business.
Alright, now it's like a business, my forward come check up on her now.
Oh, well.
You know, say, I want your help, though. Serious levels, I want your help, you see it?
Read one now.
You know, say, I'm not being going, you know, but I don't want to feel, you understand? On a little work mission when I go on.
Okay.
You get it free now?
Right. Yeah, man.
Mission.
Yeah, man.
You're not supposed to miss on a mission.
You
understand? So it make you see more strong up.
You want to stand up and strong up. Okay.
I have to come check up with something.
Yes, man. Me have the right thing for you.
I'm fix up on ball game for me, so I stay a room. And I miss.
What? Yes, man.
Yeah, man, like, you know, like you bull them. So,
Hey.
That's some more you will say.
Yes, man. Yes.
No, you happy over there.
Then the must.
That's up your seat then time.
Careful, man. Careful.
Oh, you line up something for me, man.
Yeah, man. You see when me done with you, a soldier, them I gonna call you, you know. Hey, oh, you gotta stand up to attention.
That's
attention, soldier, them I gonna call you. Yeah, man.
Yo, so
yeah,
so
man.
How much is that?
Well, you know, seminar rob you, you know. You know, seminar rob you.
I'm not lie to you. They say when you're in a trouble, though. Like say for example, say you do one little thing and you get a lawyer for your case, you have to tell the lawyer how you go down.
You have to tell everything.
I nah lie to you. And at this time I do, you know. A long time. Long time. You go for one mission and it fail. And the girl did say, oh, me a 1 minute, man. But you see it.
No worry, man. You see where me.
Long time that still. And I know, no. A long time that, man.
No worry, man.
You see it.
You should have come to me long time then. But hold on. Every time me see you a soda. That no more you drink?
No, ginger beer me drink, you know. Cause watch out. Sometimes I sit up on your chest, you have to burn off it. You know what I mean?
Sometimes.
My grandmother always tell me, say, like when you get up in the morning and you drink no tea, you drink one ginger beer. You understand? Burn off the flames off of your chest. So that's why you always see me drink my soda.
And soda, I weaken you out, man.
Soda.
The sugar and soda weaken you out.
No, sir.
It a fizzle you away, man. It a fizzle you away.
No, sir. Nothing wrong with soda, man. But you wanna, you line up something for me.
You see when me line up my thing for you, you have to come off for the soda, man, and ease off for it because you have to deal with the natural remedy. That weaken your blood.
Yes, Jackie, you know I drink soda.
And you know.
Nothing do me. Me taste a long time that one, man.
You have that problem from long time. A long time you have the problem.
Yeah, but I will sit there, man. You know, sometimes, man, if you tell you,
you want help or you don't want help?
More help, that's why I can tell you the truth.
Of course.
But me just a long time that I could have known. You understand? But we just want to firm up more like you pull them.
Yeah, man.
Press in a pen.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right.
That's when that buck you.
Yeah, man. ease off of the fizz. It a fizz out your blood.
Alright, sit there.
Me I gonna make out. Me I
That's
gonna.
you there.
Me I, no litter neither.
Alright, sorry about that.
No litter. Keep Jamaica beautiful. Me I gonna mix up some bush for you here. And when
That's what you say, man.
yes, man, and when me fix your business, a soldier them I gonna call you. Soldier. Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes, man.
So how much for that now? Because me see you charge hard, you know. Me see you card, you know.
Well, me is the best. So me not do you too bad, you know. Me not do you too bad.
Where you say go on now? Tell me price, man.
Why?
Because I know, I know more auntie, you know. Because me a jump out
Oh.
tomorrow.
Oh. Cause you don't want the long time problem again.
No, me don't want that come back up, boil up back. You understand?
Well, why? I clear up in the hills, me have to go there, you know. Like how you want it now.
No, see nah, not nobody know, man.
No hard work, me have to go do, you know. Hard work for hard results. So here we are. As a matter of fact, hey, are you lucky there?
What make you say that?
You know, say, remember Master John? Me didn't make a brew for him, you know. And
Hold on there. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Alright, that's who come. Say, I don't know what say. Is that new work me I get?
me tell you, say you're lucky there.
Yeah, man, me get woman and me I get a work now. Money no you. Money no you.
Hi, and now me I gonna make you a strong man. Right.
Where do you say now?
Me did make a brew for him, you know. And he go drop out.
The man drop out.
Yes, the man drop out if him did ever come collect him with a live right you know. So hold on, stick a pin. Me I go get you here. Me I go save your life. Are you lucky there? You said the right thing.
Merchandise this in them. I merchandise this in them. From a state in them.
Yes. You see how it read?
Them in the must see me not blind.
Aye. This now I gonna make the blood flow. And you see when the blood flow? Hey!
Like a crow?
Hey! A general them I gonna call you.
Tougher than before?
Ah, general! General! Yes! A general make for that. So you drink a cork full.
Yeah, man could so tonight.
Yes, man. Because the bush seed them.
Long time I beside you, know. You look like a cure you.
Yes, man, you're gonna get it even better than him to get it.
Bumbi.
Yes.
Yeah, general, you know.
So.
You see you. You see you.
Yes, I.
Mountain you.
Yes, I.
What me say?
Yes, I.
Wait,
Yes, I.
Yo, wait a now. This a now.
So,
All game upon.
no ramp with it, you know?
No, I'm ramping anti-Jackie herbs them. I'm mad.
Cork full before the do.
Cock full.
Cork full before the do.
Billy, one cock, we said, don't drink no more than a cock full.
No, jeez. You see, if you drink more than a cork full, hey, you're a runner.
Boy.
You're a runner. She can't, hey, a hospital you go send her.
Yo.
Cork full.
All right, listen. Shh. Say shh.
Shh.
Say sure.
Hi, but before you say sure, give me a 70,000 feet.
But Auntie Jackie.
Nah, rob you.
If you send me go think.
No, man, me nah rob you. You know, since 150 me charge for that, the true me know you like that. And me feel sorry for you. Because me no want no man go through the hardship or the soft ship. Yeah, man.
That's a cheese score and 10, you know. Don't forget that from me not reach us yet. Me not reach
You not ready for it yet then, man.
No, I joke, man. After that, can joke. Come on, you know some riches already. You know already.
You know you love run joke.
You know, man. I
you
joke
love
around, man. You know, say. Me a fine, you know, forget it, you know. Yeah, man.
So today I walk in a week.
Shana,
Now make weekend pass, you
my
know.
friend, that you know.
Alright. Now make weekend pass, cause business a business. I'm a bad herbalist and good herbalist in a one.
Yo, me say yo, that good in a youth. Come on.
General.
That's true, man. But me a pray now.
I want him. Hey boy. You're the bigger idiot. Hey. When that done with you, you'll not stop run yet. Damn fool. Worry yourself, man. Why? I saw me have to frigging up, you know, and skegging on up on my medicine, you know. Why wanna bring out the corruption in me? Hey? Me's a nice person, you know. And I always bring out the corruption in me. Every one I wanna go get skeg up in my medicine. Huh? I don't know, one pair people. I don't know how hard if we go up in the bush. If we go up in a bush, eh? Fight and run from cow, eh? To pick bush, brew bush, no. And I don't want to run and I laugh after. Hey, huh? And I run and I laugh after me. Yeah, I look in my face and I laugh after me. I saw make every damn one I want to come to me. I go scared up, man. And I take this thing for joke. Take this thing for joke, man. Eh? Hey. Me stop turning nice woman, you know. Draw me out. Every damn one, I know. When you come to me, if I'm not running belly, I sick belly. If I'm not sick belly, hey, me I go do watch this. And I take this thing for joke and I me and a pop style pan, eh? Herbalist, me and a pop style pan. Every one I know got mark nothing of this. Every single one I know take this thing for damn joke, eh?
Miss Jacqueline?
Hey, baby girl, you alright?
Yeah, me there, man. I tell me come to us, so me I go shop, so me I go left the door open.
Alright, no problem. You didn't hear me song?
Yeah, me hear. No, me not really hearing about. Me hear on your at home.
No, man, I want song me alright. It going bad.
One song you
Yes, a number one me I deal with, you know. Big bad herbalist me I go deal with. Well,
alright, then run beside you now.
yeah, man. Check it now. Check it. You ready?
Yeah,
You ready?
ready.
You ready? You have to go back. You have to go dance now.
Yeah, alright, ready.
Me are the big bagged herbalist. Come and love me herbs. Love the herbs. Nobody can sick with the herbs. Nobody I go sick. Nobody I go get running belly with the herbs. Nobody I go get running belly. The belly I go fly. Nobody I go sick. It bad, not true?
You bad man, you bad.
Yes, man, shut off. Nobody go sick with the herbs. No belly I go run with the herb. No belly I go run.
But Mr. Jacqueline, you're bad.
Number one.
Me I go to a nice shop, you hear?
Eh.
Come back. Just
Alright.
my door open.
Alright, yeah, man, me keep an eye.
Yeah,
Keep an eye. All you mess with me and see what me do. More long no for go away. Chop. Let me call this dirty one now. No, me can't see my thoughts about slippers. Hello, Dan.
Hello, babes, what's up? I was just thinking about you, you know. Just gonna call you.
Eh?
Yeah, baby, I was just thinking about you like my angel. What's up?
What?
You doing?
Boy. Dan, tell me something. Where the clocks there? You for buy?
I don't heard it. I don't hear what you say, baby. What? Can you please repeat it?
Where the clocks them give you the money for buy?
Oh, the clocks. Oh, the clocks, babes. I want to tell you something very, very important come up. You remember that I told her I'm gonna buy the clocks on and money? Babes, just listen, please. When I was going up at mommy right at the fire station, a little girl was on a bike. And a car drive out and just lick him off the bike, and you know the mother didn't have the money, and I'm saying, babes, you don't mind if I just give her the money to take her to the hospital, and I just give her the money to take her to the hospital. So I didn't get to buy the clocks. I'm so sorry.
Hold on, stick a pin. A woman you give my money to? You're my woman with my money?
No, babes, babes, listen. No, babes, listen. No, me not give a woman your money. Me attack a little girl. Me give her mother the money to take her.
So a woman that? A woman hey, me gonna need my money back, you know, because me no work hard and suffer for look after you, for give woman my money, and I walk around with saucer slippers.
Babes, you know, say, me feel like me not hear what you say good. What you say you have a one back here?
Hey, uncock your ears, you hear me now?
No, me I hear you now.
Your ears clear now?
Yeah, I heard you.
Alright. Me go want back every red cent me take you. Because me not there on this earth to come mine woman. True, my man, you mad?
Yes, me come out of the accent, you know. I don't stay in a fatwa. You know, say me really not fall for you. I look things that me never drop and me feel like you're the one. And now because me help out a person, you go tell me say you go want back the money. Babe, me never know say you're that person. But it's like you want back the money, baby. Let me tell you something. You see me LOVE, me have a want to back my baby, me have a want back my love with me time. I'm matter of fact, all the sex over what we sex.
Hi, stick up in this, okay? You're really idiot, see? Me know say me can take you go court and get back my money, youth. How you gonna get back loving? You're really idiot. How you gonna get that back?
Who does that? Come on, babes, who does that?
Who does that? You forget say. Hey, you forget some way her. Hey, you forget say Jacqueline, my name. I mean you're ramp with. You know who you're ramp with? In Daniel, you forget who you play with.
Yes, yeah, I'm a tough. Yeah, hear me, woman. Let me tell you something.
Oh, man?
I'm a tough. I'm just hang up the phone, yeah, man.
You wouldn't dare hang up on me. Me want my money. Hi! He hung up. And me here hang up on. Second next woman. Hey! Me I go fix you now. Me I go fix you. I like you see how me fix your woman before. Me I go deal with you. What?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, Punsi.
Hi.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man.
Oh, your son, so?
Me like so, I made me a bed.
Then you beard and son, so Punsi.
Yeah, man, I made me a bed. It's soap in the eye.
Soap in your eye?
Yeah,
Oh,
soap in the eye, wash out the eye.
Alright, me not keep you long then. I tell us that me get the place, you know, for Miss Jacqueline, you know.
Oh, me glad to get it. Alright.
Me say, Punsi. I hear Miss Jacqueline I say, it look like she look like she worse than my first landlord, you know. You hear me? Punsi?
Yeah, wait.
No man, something to Punsi. Punsi, me tell you, say, if you got a doctor, you know.
Where you say I'm doing on the woman?
He say she come like she walk she more worse than my previous landlord, you know.
I like, wow.
Because they look like nobody can to mess with her. Me and talk how anybody mess with him, I go make them belly run 9 herbs and all type of something. Me say, you want to hear the woman? I'm a plan to give people run na belly.
Who thought that? Wait, what you say?
Miss Jacqueline.
Yeah.
I plan to give people run na belly. Pussy, me call you back later, you hear? I tell me I call you if you tell us that me get the place.
Yes, me here, alright. Me where you say?
But and then me I tell you about Jacqueline.
She talk about some running belly and
Come on, something wrong with Pussy.
Hey boy, watching for me and you. You draw me out, you know, but me nah make me get too corrupt in this. Next woman you want, you not learn your lesson. Know what me I gotta do you? Me know what me I gotta do, man. Take Jacqueline for fool. It's the last fool you gonna catch. Take my money, mine, woman. Have next one, my friend. Have next one. Our belly no stop run, and it not gonna stop run next. Woman with running belly. Next woman you take up, watch and see what me do. And I have the nerve to tell me, say, take my hard-earned money. Go get next woman, but crash and accident into some idiot. Me born big man, me born big.
Where you say now? Where did I say on the phone? When you hang up the phone for me, Lisa? Where did I say?
Yes, me get the place and so on.
But you did I say something about whatever in some herbal somebody and sitting. I don't know what you did I say.
Them talk man, me make woman hear you.
Which woman?
And that no concern you neither, because you not drink the woman herbs.
What you mean? Me not drink a herb. Then what this? What this? Wait, hold on. Can you use a bathroom, please? Where bathroom then? Me use it. My phone contact. Which part? Which part?
Straight on the third left.
Alright.
You know was no sir, something wrong.
Boy. Damn, sitting in. Boy, if you use something like back the door. Something in your bathroom, joke me in my foot, in a girl. Yeah, because when me go in there, me have to take off the wool and my clothes are sweat so till. But me done your tissue, sorry, you hear? Me can buy back your tissue for you. Something in your bathroom. Me have to take off my clothes and my shoes and everything. I'm strip naked, eh?
I know she just shit up herself, Punsy.
No, you're mad. Cha, me never drop my clothes.
Punsy, you sure, Punsy? Oh man, this remind me of the center.
No, me could never shit up myself. You're crazy.
Punsy, you're rotten.
Boy.
Dead in this up, Punsy.
In the tissue don't know how to bathroom. I can't. Boy. Wait.
Punty, come out of my bathroom! Come on. Punty! Jesus Christ, what a house thing! No man, Punty, I shit this funny ground.
No, wait.
Punty!
Man, you're making your body. Man, you're making your body.
God, no, Punty! You have to clean up my bathroom. No, detergent. Punty, no, Punty. Why near some Punty? I want No, man. Punty, man, I make junk up pitch in my room.
No, shame me, son.
So tell me something now, Punty. Who you think I gonna clean up that?
No worry yourself about it. Me will come back and clean up the man.
No, me want to answer one good question now. Where you get that from a drink? Punty, what you mean by Me not understand that. Where you get that from? Watch it. You don't know me now. Where you get that from that me ask you? Punty, what mean? Where mean? Jacqueline, I get it from? You heard about lady? Jesus Christ. So, hey, so you're one of them when I run them belly. Why? Father God, come here there. So that's why you come up here, because you know say it a drink.
Yes, I say something disturbing. And this a confirmation. So me have to go around there right now go see her.
Go on, they go do what? Punty, no go on, they go say me say no. Because me just moving that woman place. I mean now go back no that the dirty place.
Oh.
Alright, Punty, go on. And oh, you come clean up my place. Please. Go on, Punty, go on. Where Punty I go?
Me go over bush first and then me go.
I go a bush. Here, go on. No, sir. Punty, I have to come clean up my place. No, man. I wonder what she do Jacqueline so. And then she can't do me.
What a relief. Oh God. Boy. Lisa. Boy. What a relief. Lisa.
Remember, you know.
Jacqueline. Can't believe, say, all what happened to me for this time, you are the cause of it.
Hold on. Me and you are friends, yes. But since when you are coming to my yard without call out, without call me, without call out, you just walk straight into my yard, so?
So all of a sudden now me can't come in your yard, what can I say?
Me never say you can't come in my yard, Punty, but you don't just walk in my yard, so. Me not do it to you.
Jacqueline, be honest to me. Don't lie. One little birdie pinch me and tell me, say, the problem we may have, I run, go a bathroom every minute, bush all about a people place. You are the cause of everything we may go through right now. And you say me and you are friend for so long. Jacqueline, what me really do you make you do me this?
Do you? What me do you? Belching on my face, man. Belching on my face. Chat for you for chat and come out to me yard. Me no do mood for you.
Jacqueline.
Jesus.
Jacqueline, me can use the bathroom?
No. See, all the ancestors want to use the bathroom. Go your yard. How? Come out to me yard, man.
I want to use the bathroom, please.
Come out to me yard, man.
Please.
Come out to me yard.
That's Jacqueline, me, your friend. Please, just let me use the bathroom.
You should have go bathroom before you come out to your place.
The amount of time when me go bathroom, oh God. Oh God.
And I come round and I saw me. But you're bright.
Jacqueline, you see this way you give me? Gotta go sin you. Gotta go sin you. Gotta go sin you for every wickedness where you do. Gotta go sin.
Hold on.
Boy, you can't just let me use the bathroom, please.
Me yard. Me give you time for leave me yard and you left here. Me mark me ex. Sin who? Me wicked? Come out to me yard, go do your thing.
Jacqueline.
One man.
So what on there?
Lift up. You all take me, hey.
Huh?
Left me yard, man.
Where you say me take what? Where you say me take?
Go along, you take everything out of me.
Wait. So what on there?
You all
Jacqueline. So I really true. I true.
You know
I mess me up. So you never want me to get pregnant. You really mess me up, Jacqueline. Give me running belly all along. Me just a sip this a damn sitting and I know say it a do me so.
Now why me put this down? You're lucky so me smoke my meds already, you know. Come on to me yard. Punsy go on, man. You're lucky say me hold my meds already. Come in and know what the whole lot, you know. You don't want me corrupt.
Jacqueline.
Go on, man.
The only thing me have to say to you, I told me one shit make me know. You know?
Go on, lift up and do it in my yard, man. I stink up my place.
Jacqueline,
Are you good for stink up, please?
just have little mercy and lend me a bathroom, please.
After you come and walk in my yard like say you own it, and come accuse me and fling with my hard work, fling with my hard work and my good intentions, and come cuss me, go on, man. Lift up and go. You still there?
Jacqueline, I may really do this too.
Do what? May I help you?
Oh, yeah, help me.
Yeah.
Jacqueline, what me can do me this?
Hey, what you do,
Jacqueline,
girl?
what me can do?
You don't know me a who, you know? You don't know me a who, you know, girl?
Jacqueline, what me can do me this? What me can do me this?
Here.
What me can do me this?
Leg on me here.
Jacqueline, why you do this to me?
Leg on me, girl. Leg on me. You don't know me a who, you know? Punsy, hey, calm down. You make me drop my thing then. You make me drop my thing then. I want to say what one Punsy. She walking in my yard and accuse me. Like say me and your
Jacqueline, how me accuse you?
Put up, Jesus! Me dog we conquer, hold me back.
How me accuse you?
Alright, me
How me accuse you, Jacqueline? How me accuse you? How me
deal with you. Hold me back. Want me to deal with you now? Jesus Christ, Punsy, calm down. Calm down, Punsy, wait. Oh, Jesus. Punsy, what me to say? Oh, I saw the chang.
Wait.
Punsy, yeah, woman, I want shit a chang.
Wait.
Go on, Punsy.
Wait. You see anytime me catch you?
You're lucky to the door locked.
Anytime me catch leave me. No one shit, no me shit her doorway. I see if it take in I.
Punsy, come on.
No.
Punsy.
Wait.
Let me out there. Punsy.
We are lock back the door for.
Punsy, come on, type people in the yard.
Wait.
Hey, left me out there. Punsy. Left me out there. I deal with you. Hey, left me out there. Left me out. Let me deal with you. They can't do nothing. Left me out. Run, Punsy, run.
Pussy, run! Jesus! Pussy, put it! Pussy, go on! Pussy, go on! Jesus Christ! Pussy, go on! All right, pussy. Hold you send me. Your luck is for the baby, hold me. Your luck is for the baby, hold me.
And when I bust up, yo, come into my yard again. Hey, girl, lift up. Oi, lift up. You ain't gonna. Ah! What? Left my place. You think you're bad? And me? Hey, girl. Oi. Hey, girl. Hey, me deal with you now. Hey, you don't know who. You're lucky say she hold me back.
Miss Jacqueline, calm down yourself, man. Calm down, easy, Miss Jacqueline.
No, you can't believe it, sir. Come in at my yard, Come in at my yard, so. You know how hard me have work, You know how far, you know. Me have to walk, go get the bush and help her.
So what she do?
She come to me, you see, and ask me to help her. And her hard work, you know, me not even charge her, you know. Me do it out of love, you know.
So I want to make you war start. Oh, you war just start, so me not understand.
From the day me born and I help people. Never anybody come say, me, Jacqueline, give them bad bush. Me never give nobody bad bush yet, ever.
Oh, Miss Jacqueline, for you know you're innocent. Just calm down, no man, enough you walk up yourself, so.
Look how she fling away, Look how she fling away, like I know nothing.
Miss Jacqueline, just calm down. Go on and go get some rest, alright? Just go on and go get some rest. Rest off yourself and then calm down. Miss Jacqueline, easy. Cause boy, this no look good in our community. Just go calm down. You hear, Miss Jacqueline? Boy, oh boy. People terrible in the Father God. People terrible. No, sir. Look on the yard where big old people then do, could they? Jesus, please. So, hold on. Who go clean up my bathroom now? I don't even know why disinfectant there.
Hello. Hi, baby, what's up?
Hi, baby, what's up? Who is this?
A Pinky.
How?
Pinky.
Oh, Pinky. Where you been over from?
Don't worry about that, man.
Today, I know somebody up on my black car is back.
Alright, you know, so something a little call for ask if they can for my door.
I could have wanted to know.
Something important. Because you know, say, I know it's a long time in your life, you know. Long time you have look for me and a feature me and all them something there.
I don't just say to them like, years now.
Yeah, so.
I want, you can ask you a question?
Yeah.
I want my best friend do. What's about him make him get you and me I look you before him?
What about that, man? I like you way better than your best friend. You, I actually use him to get to, you know? How long time I like you, you know?
So what do you want me to do, you know?
Well, you see like you always like me, and me always like you. I feel like we can do now together. Like a baby circle long and them something there. But it comes at a cost.
Question. You're my best friend, not still a link.
I tell us a flower that's alone, man, it's complicated.
Okay.
Yes, well,
What you want me to do?
I want you get concrete balloon phone and bring come give me.
Okay, concrete balloon phone. So what's special about your phone? So that me have to do video with you.
Him never show you the video?
Which video?
Oh, that's man. That's for me to know and for you to find out. Now worry yourself, baby. Long as I get the phone and bring it to your nurse by 5 o'clock. Why? You're in my life forever. A young baby and them something there. Worry yourself.
Baby. New boot up on the way.
New boot up on the way. I can't wait for Miss Bojo. Yeah. That's the phone. That's a little task there.
Just the phone alone. You're sure about that? And I hear nobody say so if me call it, if me get the phone and call it, you may I get. Alright then, no sorry, me I go right on the road right now. Me must find him. Me go link him now. Alright.
My number is.
Alright, you go call it, but me I go on the road. Me say I just the phone alone.
Just the phone alone now.
You sure just the phone?
Me sure, baby, me sure.
And once me get the phone and gear, me I get you.
In my life, husband and wife.
And we go make one young Buju.
Young Bojo. 22.
No. I hear nobody.
My number is.
So me call it, and you me I get.
Yeah, me I get.
Alright, me I go on the road. Me I go on the road right now.
Alright, baby, bye-bye. Love you. Alright, love you in advance. Bye-bye. You want to feel like say go mash up at girl life and get over it? Watch me here, boy.
One phone make me get a young Bojo. No, Sam can't miss this. You're mad. I concrete balloon there, and I'm call him. Find out when there. Call him right now. Imagine one phone. Get me a girl and me I look for 5 years. Call it 6 year 2026. Yo, concrete balloon. How are you? We there, man. Me dog. How are you there?
I'm at this life for dog.
I sick is. Richard. Yo, you want to do, bro, God. I want to come give me a link. I run a corner yourself and he said lane in front of the blue house yourself.
Yo, better tell you I'm my best friend that I call link here. Because I remember so I go for a mission. Yo, I try you in the youth.
You know that, man.
I have a one vibration for sure. You see me?
True. I see him, so I want for sure. That's why I want to link up in the idea before you go check moms. Alright, bro, God. Yo, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
Yo, come give me a link before you do so now.
Yo, before come check you now, my G. Alright, see it there. Yeah, man, brother, I say me come check you now, bro. Last little bit of this left. So man, I come tell me about say, me, if you take a little cock, you idiot. A whole like nana drink down. Yo. Yeah, idiot. So more mash up this work, you mad. Wanna drink coffee, you idiot.
Cock full before the do.
Cock full.
Cock full before the do.
Billy, one cock we said don't drink no more than a cock full.
No, jeez. You see, if you drink more than a cock full.
Yeah, Bantan. I pray now.
Everything good?
Yeah, man.
You say them there easy back to a
Real, man, G. Yo, yesterday, that boy.
How that? Rum? Rum that?
Nice boy. Nice, a fat boy. Them thing are youth. Ball game next name. Say ball game.
Ball game. Cricket.
Cricket. Football. Everything in that one. Browning. Go on watch me. You look on the buckle. I like that do it.
So,
See how deal it.
yo, I kind of video me a year say I go around about in phone business.
What?
Video in a phone. You know hear about it?
One video.
Yeah, we are go around in a phone. So, me don't know if I mean explaining good or I mean talking good. But you're straight, man. I must hear about it.
No, not about no phone, no video on no phone. So who could have said that?
You know, so one bird that squeezed me and I tell me what I go on this morning and you say this man, I tell you the truth. Nah, just not too long.
Oh, I not hear about no video. Oh, you know what I say? Oh! You know what I say? I did one video on my phone, youth. But they delete me, they say me show you because I'm my best buddy in the youth. And they say, yo, I come and come show you, but no, come like me and press on button dog and they just delete dog, you know? Eh?
What kind of video that so?
Yo, you see yo? I want to tell you that dog.
Me say it's a one bird.
One bird.
Call me.
What kind of bird? Sitting there, quack, pigeon, blackbird.
It's a hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Hummingbird. That not sound good. Cause hummingbird, a little bird, you know. A soft bird, you know. That sound like a female, you know. Yo, hold on. Yo, go around the thing, brother. What go on? Talk to me straight. Cause I know say yo, you're my best friend in the youth.
Yo, me just stress out, bro.
You stress out?
I say more and see you, bro. A long time I don't see you.
Oh, then now you talk use the brain in the youth. But you know say yo, sometimes when you use the brain to talk things, they like how it nearly goes so. We are if you're open man in the youth. They come like you say you're open man.
True man.
Yo, you can make money off fighting the youth. Me I tell you can make money off of overbearing. Mix up on some thinking man and make people come at your place man. Billy.
Remember a girl who did go meet in a club.
Which girl that?
You know remember Simone man? Simone.
No, Simone.
Brown in the man. For a club up so.
Oh, you see him bar, you see him club Rene work.
Rene. That's the club there.
So you say God.
You know some clotted on one night.
Hello, you tell dog.
Bro, believe in me no. Just no load up it.
You know say a sharp boy like a guillotine boy. Youth, them boy when drink on some of this. Youth, right now, my blood up wild. Yo, me can't stand too long son. Right now, me feel like all my lungs gone down and my two of them, bro.
Easy no concrete.
Me I tell you, bro. Right now, I don't feel good, bro. But me have to go move now, cause this turn up in me, boy. So yo, me shout bro. Me don't feel so good, bro. But me feel like, you know, yo, me have to go check your back, bro.
Alright,
go check your girl, bro. Me feel pump up, yo. You see it? Like a balloon, youth. We so far, youth. No, sir. That's not good, youth.
Hey.
Yo, you wanna? Good on, girl. Yeah. Me have to go let off the steam, bro. You know?
Oh, you mean? Pata cook. Yeah, go on. Do you need that? But I go let off steam. Call mama, I know about him, I'll check him. Hello? Pinky? You know, say me get the phone. Me get the phone. Me dey up on the lane here, so. Oh, you mean, me call him, he did say I call link and me tell him to come check me first. And he forward and me laugh him out and chat him out and pick him phone out of his pocket. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Alright, switch it up. Me I switch it to video call.
Alright.
Look. Right, listen.
Yeah, eat that.
Alright. Look out back the camera. So, he say he just left us to say he come in your yard. What me fi do? He ma call link, what me fi do?
want to come back.
But in the funny way I come.
I'm not ignoring you right now.
Oh, yeah. Me have one thing to say, you know. You see, if him come check you now and get through, me I give him back his phone, no tell him saying drop you out the road, you know. I'm fine, you know.
Yeah, no matter what's that, man. When I have the phone, then ain't here, get through. Ain't here, that come and respond to me, yard.
Eh?
You want no, man. Long as you have the phone, then.
And no long as me have it now, B. Sorry for call it, B, because we not the hate, but me have it now. Alright. Do what I do. Just call me when I get through.
They go deal with him case and then we'll link you later. Just hold on for the phone tight to make him out your eyesight.
Alright. Later. Alright. So if you hold the phone tight, I hold it tight.
Kate look nice though. Oh, I mean, but they're on a move still. Wait.
What dog?
General, you good?
Can I use it? Can I want
a fast move, man. I know you go fast. Jeez, I'm face out. Thank you. Ah, go on. Sit me here now. Huh? Make you go in the house now. Same time. Eh?
Before we do anything, before we get any further, Mama see your phone want to call. Hey, hold on, come back here yourself.
Eh?
Before we go any further.
Yeah.
Buy your call off your phone?
Call.
Yeah.
You never ask me for no call off. When you done, man? When you done?
I want to call now, it's an emergency.
Eh?
Just give me a call.
Alright. Phone. Come up, look quick, man. Come on.
Your phone. Hey!
Pinky, please.
Hello. Hey, come listen. Me no want, you see anytime.
Look here, I beg you, please. Look here.
Excuse. Sorry. Don't come right here, so you see us from today, don't see me get to enter.
No, look here now. Look here. Member say.
Hello, member say.
Hey, don't raise a voice, you know. Member say me have a video, you know.
Yeah, but
so listen now.
I can't show my phone and I have no evidence.
No, the phone up on my yard.
And the phone I do what I've right so it end right now. Right here, so it done. Come out of my yard now.
Look here now, hold on.
1 minute, man. Come out of my yard now.
See.
One name of them here. Get up from my chair.
Hold on.
Get up from my chair. 1 minute, man. Come out of my yard. You don't have no more evidence.
No, look here now.
Don't come back.
Look here. Hey, hold on now.
Come out of my yard.
Me have the evidence, man. Hold on, man. Look here now, hold on. You can't do this, look here. Mine release it on TikTok. Mine release the video on TikTok.
Release it. Dirty concrete balloon. 1 minute, man.
No.
1 minute, man.
Alright, I bet some go release the video. I bet some go release the video. On my phone there.
Come out of my yard.
On my phone there. Hold on. I told me can't find my phone, yo.
1 minute.
Now release that right now on TikTok, yo.
Release it. Eat that way. 1.
Don't me a beg you, Pinky. Do me a beg you. Do me a beg you, please. Please, Pinky, do me a beg you, man. Me a friend, man. Pinky.
Come out of my yard.
Pinky, hold on. Let me explain something to you, please. Hold on. Please. What is that, man? Just sit there. Hold on. Before you throw it, hold on. Let me explain something to you, please.
Explain.
Alright, watch out now. You see, Pinky, look at me. You see this? You go drink your phone, come now. So watch out.
1 minute, man.
No.
1 minute, man. Why, man? 1 minute, man. He must be drink roots. He must be drink to go in a bed. 1 minute, man. Come on.
Pinky, come here.
Come out of my yard.
I give you a thing, Pinky.
Come out of my yard.
Hold on. I give you a thing.
Give me a thing. Alright, come on.
Hold on, some more money.
Come on, no, come on.
I have bank card there.
Give me all of them.
Bank card.
What
You
are
want
them?
the pin?
Pin. Why pin fees?
437.
437.
437. 4.
437.
No, 4. When you go in some gear next week.
Come out.
Jesus, oh God.
Come here.
Oh
God.
God.
Come on, come here.
Oh
1 minute, man.
Alright.
1 minute, man.
Alright, give me a card.
Yeah, I was scared. Hey, dirty boy, you could look at someone on the water. 1 minute, boy. Bright outside. But you want to come at black beard at girl, come here, bright, see? You're sitting on your mind when I get a chance. Outside, I'm call a boy, you know. Bright. But you come to some, say, all this a card, I gotta run it red. Everything, grocery, clothes, here, every single paper outside. What's your? They can't leave a press off. Bojo. Hi, baby. Where you there? Yeah, man, I can't come on my yard now. Make sure you have the phone, you know. Alright, babes. What up, man, the name again? Right in front of the greenhouse with the angel in front of it. Yeah, in front of. Oh, yeah, in front of Auntie Mama. Alright, baby. Me wait for you. Don't take too long. Alright, love you in advance. Alright.
Yo, Bojo.
Concrete balloon.
Yo, youth. I feel like a concrete youth.
Hey.
Yeah, man. I can't. Yo, youth. Watch out, brother. Sitting up to me, brother. I can't out down like a balloon, brother.
I boast you up.
No, dog. Yo, brother, I'm not boasting, brother. Eh?
How are you?
Come like me have to go to a doctor, brother, youth.
Yo, go over, go get some rest.
No, yo, Bujo, that's the message, brother. I have a in the dog. I can't out down, dog. I can't out down, you know, something like balloon, brother.
You go all man, but yo, me tired of telling about them the roots.
No, I don't know roots thing, bro. Tell you, bro. I don't know roots thing, brother.
So what happened?
We can't out down, brother, like a balloon. You understand, bro? Quote, bro. Like, me not even get through, bro, with the same vibration, bro. I'm not get through, brother.
Yo, you waste my time right now, you know, I don't know styling thing, you know.
No.
Me have to go down
So you can't reason me a little bit, bro.
Alright, tell me what go on.
Yo, that's cool, man. Yo, me tell you something. Can't out down, yo, bro. Yo, Bujo, me feel good, yo. I can't go to the doctor, brother.
Yo, concrete balloon. You're a big man, you know.
Brother, when I say I can't out down like a balloon, bro. That's cool, bro. You must know say, bro. I'm not trying to cool out down, bro. And I laugh, bro. Like I think a joke thing, brother. Yo. Man, I laugh after myself, dog. Yo, brother.
Yo, me a call all myself. Concrete balloon, I first me ever see this. Go over, go lay down and get some rest, bro.
Yo,
you don't know if you pump it, man. Go over, go pump it.
no, I'm not depend on me, depend, bro.
So you depend?
Yo, I'm saying I depend on me thing, bro. I'm tell you what. Yo, man, got a doctor, yo. Where depend? Yo, can't go to doctor, bro. Go check me over here, bro. I can't go to doctor, bro.
Go on a fear yard.
Remember, say me a real Gina, yo. From sitting up to me, bro. Joke, bro, man, go to doctor.
Yo, me I check one virgin and that's what me say. Me so forward.
Alright, cool now. Go on.
Go on over, get some rest now.
Yeah, go on now, youth.
No, you have to go first. You first go over. Go on now, you're my friend, you know, you're my best friend, you know. Me have to make sure say you're good, you know, bro.
That's alright, dog.
Yeah. Oh, go on, baby.
Hi, baby. What's up?
There one. Are you one there?
Yeah, me alone live here at my place.
Yes, me are looking.
Yeah. See now?
Must let me get you.
I found this.
Yeah, come on, we go inside now, baby.
Hold on before we go in. But line, something I look for.
You know, long more.
What's the phone I'll open?
Yeah, you know, long more. Come here, yard. 6 years old. You see me now?
No, loud this alone.
Oh.
Don't worry yourself. delete, 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 delete. Everything I can delete out of this. Yeah, man.
Don't hit her no more. Not even concrete balloon never deal with us.
Yeah.
Come in now.
Well, me are going to some cause me want to make sure say in there ready for you, baby.
Well,
don't worry,
like
sir.
Freddy.
Yeah, sit down here, sir. Me
I
are come.
love you, sir.
Me love you in too.
Love you, sir.
Yeah, me love you too, babe. Mwah. You ready for go in? Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard, drunk crow. Yeah, me say, I hear to you see. Come out of my yard, but you're ready. Concrete balloon take one minute. You go there take half a minute. Drunk, dirty dog shoots.
Concrete balloon. Oh, come in. Come in, my boy.
Yo, hold on them thing.
Okay, go doctor.
Yo, you have to carry me, God. Wait, oh, you wait up, so, oh, you shut the up, so, brother.
Rest that, cause you...
Listen me, I say, bro. You understand me, I say, yo, me can't out down like balloon, brother. You don't understand?
Bro.
What go on, bro?
I can't go to doctor, you know. They might cut the vein.
What?
Bro, they might cut the vein.
What kind of vein, out?
No, bro.
Eat that, brother. Yo, alright, what you say, Adam? Yeah, come in.
We are going to doctor, come in. You know what, yo?
Oh, you say, brother, you're paying me out.
So I can get this a shot, yeah?
No, nobody so hard.
Oh, you're not easy, you know.
Oh, I'm scared, dude.
Yo, you're not easy, you know.
Yo, you make me all laugh, brother, and I'm pain, brother.
Yo, whoever see him say you laugh when they cut the vein, you know.
Yo, nobody say that to them. Yo, hold up, yo. I forced them to get to me, you know.
Oh, very fun.
Doctor already, that's all.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hey, miss, the doctor for something.
You're blind, you're not stay open, you can't read.
So you're so vulgar and answer loud, and you're too vulgar, man.
Don't about your business. I'll make you walk, so. Why? No wonder why you walk, so you're little rich.
That's why someone don't even ask someone no question, you know. Because that's all you have make you come on a doctor, you know, youth.
You know, you see no concrete balloon.
Me nose and that talk. What kind of scent that? I want smell so. I want smell so. I smell so. I smell so. My girl, really? I really eat na the bush. You a go diddy. You know have no toilet at your yard that low. And your ear and nail long so. What a show. What a show. Me see her on the road looking well stush. Only if you find out say she a do a bush. Lord she my load but it nearly broke me neck. Me say, wait there, why you a do so? She freeze up quick like statue in a show. She say, mind your business, just go on where you a go. But the evidence strong. Me already know, Nino. How I smell so, how I smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush. You a go did it. You know have no toilet like your yard that low. And your ear and nail long so. What a show. Every morning she post on the gram. Oh, living my best life, filter and glam. Hiding every flaw, nobody know. But me see the truth where she not show. Me link her later, me try to be nice. Me say real talk, me nah mock your life. She shame, she hold her head to the ground. The situation rough, me nah joke around. Light bill high, water bill do we? Pressure upon her, nothing she can do. She dress up good for hide the stress. But life beyond that, a real mess. From bush to blessing, things can change. Today you struggle, tomorrow rearrange. No shame in life, but truth must show. Social media now run the real show. I want smell so, I want smell so, I smell so, I smell so. My girl really, I really eat na the bush.
Hold on, go on like so, you know, subscribe up. Oh, for when me telling you say subscribe, It's a joking thing with that pan. Ah, my son. I train a age, but I run down, you know.
Okay, boy.
Now yourself, man. So, now, yo, you. What time you subscribe to Maggie Films already?
No.
No? Where's the no?
No.
And oh, you said what? No, you said boy.